So, आउथरे कौन तो कंफ्यूज है यूजी
पेज से डाके
पेज ना डका है
हाँ पेज में जाओ चलो
पेज नंबर 3 item 21 to 30
29 okay 29 से permitted to withdraw then out note कोई देते हैं तो कैसे 82 भी permitted जान दो अपन
I go to 103 minute. I make accommodated because no after lunch I will not be there. Taken up for next.
okay 100 who is the opposite party
That informant is appealing. What is Mr. Friend is appealing.
please intimate him no please intimate him
But he's not a party. Informant is appealing. There is no location because for 319% I am
but
attending.
he has not made party
No, madam. So motor he is appealing.
so he filed a color now
Yes, that is the other course. I will inform them.
please intimate him
Yes, sir.
okay list the matter on what do you want
That's why any day madam approve.
any day in March April May any day
March से लेकर चलेगा.
चलिए okay March दे दिया ताले March 15 March 15 okay next
Interim होता है तो कौन?
entry want to continue oh entry want to सच में चिंता नहीं entry want to continue okay
page number 5 item 42 to 48
My lord, item 34 permit.
34 want to withdraw give the memo please give the memo 30
34.
34 withdrawal
Pardon, my lord, item 39, your lordship.
39 कौन
But pray for next week, my lord, any day.
why
Interim order, interim injunction against আসলে আমি পেমেন্ট করছি interim maintenance পেমেন্ট করে দিয়েছি
so
অলরেডি
why are you asking for
Hearing-
time then
hearing-
finish
হিয়ারিং পাই ଅଛି next week আসুন any day.
March they no next week
My lord, next
I
week.
don't have next week my next week is only in March
Already we have paid the interim.
you might have paid
Your lordship decide.
you are for the opposite party
No, my lord, I am for the petition.
who is the opposite party
What is I am going?
no you have to intimate no
তাকে intimate করে দেবি already.
without intimating the opposite party you are not supposed to mention any matter because of your mentioning
I've already-
I'll
now-
just
now-
adjourn the matter and another person will come there sit the whole day
Sorry,
this is
sorry,
not the
now I am intimating that.
first you intimate them no don't entertain this
My lord, item 51.
51
On behalf of Mr. Kalyan Patna, my lord, there is a bereavement in his family, so kindly adjourn it for 1 week only. Item 51.
you have intimated the opposite party
My lord, he has already intimated.
he has
Mr. Kalyan
I'm
Patna.
asking you whether you have he has
I'm
he's
mentioning.
bereavement in the family he is not he don't
It is last day.
he doesn't have the time to intimate you should have intimated you must be busy
Yes, ma'am.
have you intimated
My lord, he has already informed that he has intimated.
you are
Maybe taken
please
next week,
don't
my lord.
mention something without the presence of the opposite party
No,
please I don't like
he has instructed me, my lord. Maybe
he
taken
might
next.
have instructed you where is the opposite party without opposite party I am not entertaining any mentioning please for adjournment at least
My lord, I will inform you just now. Out
Go
of
and
court, I will inform.
intimate and then only you inform me if the court is I mean the work is going on still in between you can come and mention no problem but intimate
Yes, ma'am.
intimate it next
Item 9 and 10, my lords, this is that agriculture insurance batch matter. The lordship have posted to 13th, those batch.
9 and 10
9, 10, another 3 matters are there. 20
give the list
30.
give the list sir
matters.
then that will be posted on 13th
13th.
next
that item 19
19
man
yes
on behalf of Mr. Ponda he
19 okay government I guess it's okay consumer forum and we list the matter on the request of Larka please list the matter on 18th 16th March sorry February 16th February next
Item number 67, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Ashok Das, your lordship may call this matter 1 week after, my lord. 67.
Who is the opposite party? Who is the opposite party, sir?
Opposite party, my lord, is not appearing, my lord, not admitted till it's my lord.
Not admitted it?
No.
Okay, list the matter on 14th February.
Item 75.
75 party.
Last occasion, last direct to take instruction.
You
Have
have
not
taken
yet obtained. I have also intimated to the petitioner.
Okay,
This
Larka,
sometime.
for the you are for the opposite party.
Then
And which for the petitioner?
I am appearing for the council.
So you don't have any problem?
No.
So when do you want?
some time allowed to take instruction. I have not yet obtained.
1 week, 2 weeks? How much
weeks,
time
2
you
weeks
need?
time.
Okay, 2 weeks.
There is
List the matter, March, March.
an interim
March, interim order to continue?
item
March.
73,
March.
my lord.
my lord item 69
Sir, Dakila say number as Asunati is Dakila.
একটু ডক্কা হয়নি সে মধ্যে
Doka Helabar Asibin.
Dakila.
Our Major
That
Post.
page is going on.
Sir, Asini, sir. Take
Yes.
passenger. Yes, next.
Page number 7, item 55 to 60. Page number 8, item 61 to 70.
But item number 69,
69, what happened?
I am for the petitioner. This is a case against the LIC.
So you have intimated them?
I prepared an urgent.
Intimated Mr. Subrat Kumar Mahanti?
No, first time I will be, this matter has been posted to receive the counter. I'll inform him. I have some personal difficulty.
You have received the counter?
I have not received the counter. Today I'll receive and
Intimate the other side.
I'll intimate.
I will नहीं. I have intimated.
Yes, there is no intimate.
No will. It is I have. Present perfect tense. सही tense से सुनी भी. Will रे सुनी भी नहीं. हला. और intimate कर दें तो आप कोई मजे. Otherwise he will be waiting for the whole day. No fun. So why just you will go after that person will come and sit for the whole day. That's why
There is no interim order.
No problem. But you have to intimate him. That's
I will intimate him. I will also collect the copy of the counter affidavit because I have some personal difficulties.
ठीक है जाओ 15 कर दे 15 February next
Obliged.
Page number 9, item 71 to 77.
My lord, item 73, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, I am appearing, my lord. On behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, he is ill, my lord.
73
my lord. He has to file a rejoinder, my lord. And he has given a list of payment as the counter is showing 27 lakhs, but actual payment has been made 30.
Sir, you were mentioning where you see
Only-
all the merit argue can go.
Only rejoinder fine, see the details
Okay, you can
documents.
say only rejoinder. I am
Yeah.
taking time. Why are you arguing with merit? As this much amount, all these things required. I mean,
1 week time is required.
you want to time, you take time. 4th March,
Obligation. Interim to continue.
entry mode to continue. Next. This is bank matter.
Yes, sir.
Opposite.
Bank matter, I will not give longer time. Sorry, I have to fix it on 7th March.
Right.
Bank matter, I will not give
Right.
longer time because stay is operating against the bank.
7th March को ले 4th
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. 7th February.
My lord, next week he is not there, out of station.
Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ସଂସାର ଚାଲିବ ନା କଣ?
ନାଇଁ,
matter ଆପଣ stay ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନେଇକିରି enjoy କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତାପରେ
ଗୋଟେ week, next week ତ ସେ ନାହାନ୍ତି।
on
12 ରଖିଲେ ବି ହବ।
or stay once you get then you keep on just lingering.
12-13 ରଖିଲେ ବି ହବ।
12 कर दे।
Aye.
Once you get the stay, they will stay vacate kari, then we will see. If you ask for further time, I will stay vacate the stay. Simple. It's a small matter, it will take hardly 2 minutes, unnecessary taking time. Next,
Page number 10, item 78 to 88.
78,
Page number 11, item 89 to 98.
My lord, item 96 and
90,
96, my lord.
96, 90 देख लीजिए, 90 actually next lot. Yes, तापर
96, my lord. Bring for an adjourn.
96. Who are you?
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Have you intimated the opposite party? So you don't have any problem? Are you opposing?
next week.
Next week, so you don't have problem. Okay. This the matter on 12th February.
Obliged.
Next,
Item
Page number 12, item 99 to 105.
99 to 105.
Page number 13, item 106 to 110.
Lordship 110 lordship, it is come first time lordship taken up 2 or 3.
You haven't just state is the opposite party.
Lordship.
Okay. What do you want?
3-4 ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ଆସିବ first time ଆସିଛି 23 ମସିହା ମେଥଡ
7th March.
item 39, I have already intimate.
Intimated?
Right.
Where is?
ସେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଭାଇ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କଥା ହେଲେ ସୋମବାର କି ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଆସୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
Item କେତେଟା?
ଅଜୟ କୁମାର ନାୟକ, item 39.
39.
I am for the petitioner.
13th March. 13th March.
Next week କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
13th March, sir. It can't be as per your suitability.
Lordship, item 30.
Upon time never you have to.
ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ମୋର
No. You are taking time. It is on our prerogative, not on your prerogative.
interim order extended.
Intimate to continue. ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦରକାର then you time ତ ଆପଣ ଆମ ସରିଯିବ ନା।
Lordship,
Yes.
item 30 permitted to withdraw.
30, 30, 30.
Yes.
What is your name?
Diptimoy Lanka.
Diptimai Lenka.
Yes.
Okay, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes.
Miss Diptimai Lenka appearing on behalf of Mr.
Viswaranjan Dalai.
Viswaranjan Dalai. Want to withdraw it? 6 to withdraw it. Criminal revision, criminal revision. Huh. Next. Okay, Igla.
Item number 1.
Please, my lord.
Come to one.
Petitioners are the staffs of a non-government aided college, my lord.
Non-government aided college, what happened?
My lord, and
What is the issue?
my lord, the petitioner have never availed any loan nor have given any consent for
Loan?
any loan, my lord. But my lord, rupees 23,000 is getting deducted from the salary of the petitioner at every month from the.
You have not
month
taken
of-
any loan, then how can, who is taking that 33,000 every month?
My lord, rupees 23,000 is getting deducted from the salary of the petitioner, my lord.
Who is taking that money?
My lord,
That's what I want to know.
my lord, that has been only ascertained.
Sir, who is taking? Somebody is taking 23,000 every month. Will you not try to inquire with the bank why the money is being deducted from my account? Will you not do that?
My lord, we
You're
have.
an educated person. You are not a rustic villager.
My lord, we have filed our representation, my lord.
What representation? सीधा बैंक के जाके मैनेजर को बैठाओ देखो बच्चा कॉपी कटा हो चुका है तो कह दो ऐसे रिप्रेजेंटेशन बस्ती करे. Go and ask the bank. Why are you coming here? Ask the bank if any valid reason is there, which is you can challenge here. Unnecessary for everything. The 226 is being misused like this.
My
Which
lord,
you can do at the banker's chamber. That you are not doing. You are coming to the High Court straight. Have you met the branch manager? Have you asked him why the money is being deducted from your account? You have not done anything.
my lord, at annexure number 1, my lord.
Forget the
It
annexure.
has been mentioned that NGB loan, my lord.
Huh?
NGB loan.
Why are you saying then? Oh, I don't know anything then. File the कम से कम पढ़ के ऐसा भाई.
My lord, that has never been
This
availed.
kind of preparation I don't tolerate this.
My lord, that has never been availed by the petitioner, my lord.
You never be able to go and ask the banker. Why is the banker there? You go and meet the manager. Manager will tell you. Okay, this is the reason why this amount is being deducted. At least that thing they will intimate you. Straight without going there, you come to High Court. I am not going to do anything here.
My lord, liberty may be granted.
Or
my lord.
what liberty? You should have taken that liberty before coming here. Straight up, just from without going to the bank, straight you are coming here.
My lord, we have filed a representation, my lord.
Representation,
But
then
no reply, my
you
lord.
know what is the reason, what happened then? You know the representation. In the representation, you must have assigned some reason. And what is the reply to that?
My lord, no reply, my lord.
If first you go and meet sir, कागज पत्र काम चले नहीं, जाइए पर्सनली भेटे हुए पड़े. If you are having an account with the bank, what prevents you to go and meet the manager and inquire about?
It's a non-government college institution, and the pay slip shows that.
No, I am not on that. I am go to the bank. The amount is being deducted from his bank account. That is the issue. Which bank? Which bank, sir?
My lord, State Bank of India, but the my lord salary is.
So much confusion. I am asking the name of the bank.
My lord, State Bank of India.
State Bank of India. Which branch? Have you made party to the bank?
No, my lord.
Then, without making party, how can you claim any prayer against the bank? यार कहाँ से आप लोग आते हो? Prepare करके आ जाओ इधर. Don't come like this. I don't appreciate this. Go and come prepare. You don't know anything. Which is bank? You have not made bank party, and suddenly you came here.
My lord, the opposite party number 2.
What opposite party? Opposite? Where is the bank? Here, coming against the bank. We have not made the bank as party.
My lord, I am coming against my lord, district treasury officer, my lord.
Prabhu, you are district treasury officer. That's fine. But what about bank? The bank is deducting your amount. So you should have made the bank as a party here. You have not done that. Make the bank as a party. Implement the bank as party.
My lord.
Learn concept of petitioner. Just don't come like this. I don't appreciate. You have to come with thorough preparation.
My lord.
Otherwise, you just keep searching the right thing. Where is there? Then it's just like examination hall or exam prepare.
Page 11. One page. Issued by the college. Page 11.
College कौन देखे?
Pay slip. Allowances first column करेला तब reduction and private deductions, EBT deductions, NGB law 23,000, EPF deduction.
What is the deduction?
Yes, that is private college notice to go governing body.
Okay, issue notice. Issue notice to the opposite parties. Some notice to the.
3 and 4.
Hmm?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. What is your name?
My lord, SK Garnaik.
ଲମ୍ବା ଚଉଡ଼ା ନାଁ ରଖିଛ ନାଁ ହିସାବରେ ଟିକେ ଜଷ୍ଟିଫାଏ କର ଗଡ ନାୟକ ଗଡ ଫେର ନାୟକ ଗଡର ନାୟକ ହେଇକିରି ଏମିତି ଅବସ୍ଥା ଆପଣ ବାକି ଲୋକ କେମିତି ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ ଅଦର ପିପୁଲ ଗଡ ନାୟକ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରେ ନା ଭିତରକୁ ନ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ You have not entered in your file ଆପଣ ଗଡରେ ରହିଗଲେ ଫାଇଲ ଭିତରକୁ କିଏ ବସିବ ଗଡ ନାୟକର କାମ ଫାଇଲ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଜଗିବାଟା ନା ତା ଫାଇଲ ଭିତରକୁ ଆଉ ପଶୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ go and prepare issue notice of next.
My lord, I have filed an IA, my lord.
Pardon,
I for what?
My lord, for restraining the opposite party from recovering the NGB loan, my lord.
Huh? Unless the party comes under earthquake happens, some natural calamity, something happens to the building. For that purpose it is there, not for defaulting.
But
Yes, that is the scheme, sir. I have refused to many on that ground only. So many people have come like this, with this similar prayer. Please read the scheme. In this scheme, nowhere it is said that if somebody dies, that money will be adjusted from the insurance amount. Where is that? Nothing like that. Where is it?
any of the your lordship may keep it to submit.
ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସମୟ ମିଳେନି
ନା, ନା,
ଦିନେ
ମତେ-
ଆପଣ
ମତେ
ଆସି
ସେ-
ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରିଦେଲା କହିଲେ ଟାଇମ
Insurance policy ଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ claim
policy ଟା ପଢିବେନି କି ଆପଣ
Pol-
would have come with the policy and to show the court where is the scheme, which in the which part of the scheme it is there, it is written that okay, if this kind of situation happens, the bank will adjust the money from the policy. Where is it
ସେ
written?
policy ର copy ଟା ହିଁ
The
ନାହିଁ
copy ତ ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ claim form ରେ ଯୋଉ ସେ mention
ସେଇଟା
କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଦରକାର
claim form ରେ claim
ଦରକାର
form ରେ
ନା
mention
କ୍ଲେମ ଫର୍ମ ନାହିଁ
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ପଲିସି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଥିବ
ସେ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଟା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସବମିଟ କରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ଆଉ କପି ରଖିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଛି ଗୋଟେ
ଆପଣ
ଆଜି ସକାଳେ
ସେ ଯୋଗାଡ଼ କରିଦେବ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ନୁହେଁ actually. You just come prepared.
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି
Okay.
ଟିକେ clarify
Where is the matter on 11th? No, 11th छुट्टी 13. Hello. See that. See that. Read the scheme. Mr. Tunasa, he knows that. He's appearing for the bank very often.
Liability insurance would have been
Ah,
called up then after.
That's a different thing. Just talk to him. Discuss with him. He'll tell you. Next.
Item number 3.
3.
item 3 not your lordship I will write your lordships
3 also the same.
to no 3 years କଣ ହେଇଛି
This is ORS.
page 19 and 20 page 9
ORS. I think we have kept all matter.
11th.
11-3, man.
no I have solved the copy to
So we have kept it on 13, I think.
11-3.
11th.
11th March. So let our entire batch will come on that day. Okay, this is let it be tagged and give a copy to him.
I already solved
You should notice.
already
Now
solved
consider the ORS, the opposite party waves of notice on behalf of the ORSDC. List the matter on.
My lord, in this matter, ORSDC, last time my lord had given a specific order.
No, they are trying to solve the issue.
Before the government.
It is before the government. Yes.
I think.
They will come out with some
Finance department and.
some settlement. I would say they will explore
Yes.
something like that because see the organization is I mean it is going to die very soon. It is.
Some persons also died.
It is in ventilation.
50 cases are.
I know this organization is going to die very soon. So at least the organization should get some money back. It has been given long back, 99, 2000, 2001. It's a long time back. Okay, let it come.
ମୋ କେସରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଳ୍ପ ଟିକେ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଅଛି କାହିଁକିନା ମୋର ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅନୁସାରେ ମୋର ମାନେ ମୁଁ ସବୁ
That is also that kind of cases are also there in that batch.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
So quite similar to your case.
ମୋ
Yeah, there is that.
ସାଲାରୀ ଡିଡକ୍ସନ ସବୁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ठीक है,
ଲାଷ୍ଟ
that.
କେଇଟା
We'll see that one by one that day. Don't worry. Next.
Along with my lord, this case.
Hmm?
This along with the other cases,
yes.
the number.
Yes. Next.
Item number 4.
Shakti Shankar books.
In the
Yes, what is that?
in the given case, my lord, admittedly the husband and wife have been experiencing some strange relationship and litigations are going on.
Why Union of India is a party here?
My lord,
Why Union of India is a party? If husband and wife had some strained relationship, Union of India
I'm
बीच
coming
में
to
कहाँ जाता है?
I'm coming to the point, my lord.
फिर why have you made
The
Union of
wife
India as
has
a party?
uploaded some objectionable videos.
Who?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, 1, 5, 6, sixth of private party.
6, 9.
7, seventh private party. 6, 7,
Only 1 and 5, my lord.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We serve through registered post.
My lord.
Either California ଯିବ ଏଟା India ରେ ନାହିଁ ତାର WhatsApp ର office.
I tried my best, but I could not find
Very
the
good.
address.
ଗଲା ତମ matter California ରେ କେବେ ସେମାନେ ଆସିବେନି. Never come. Anyway, list the matter on. I'm fixing it on May 21st.
Any short date?
Short date ରେ ଯିବନି notice ସବୁ ପାଇଲେ ସବୁ ଆସିବେ ନା ଲାଭ କଣ? Again we'll ask for time, so I'm giving a longer date. March 20.
My lord, deeply obliged, my lord.
Next.
Item number 5.
Item
Five.
5, I appear for. Item 5, I appear for Mr. Upadhyay. Yes, ma'am.
Padhya is living. Okay.
No, I appear for the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
This is a very unfortunate case. In fact, what has happened, the allegation against me was that we had the transmission line of 765 kg, and there is side by side a parallel state transmission line of 11 kV. So on a date of incident, that was 11th of March 2022, an old lady, while she was passing through her paddy field, the case is that she got electrocuted, and there was, because of that, she died. Now, what has happened is that the Power Grid Corporation has 765 kV. So thereafter, a technical committee was constituted. A technical committee gave a very astounding kind of a report. It says that, look, the 765 kV, very high voltage. If anybody comes into contact of 765, it will be turned to ashes. Even for the cremation ground, the minimum requirement is 220 kV. So it was because of the faulty 11 kV state line, which was loose wiring was going on. Perhaps the lady might have come into contact, she might have died. That was the technical committee report. That report also says that, as per the Central Electricity Authority guidelines, we have to make a ground clearance. Minimum ground clearance for 765 kV overwire transmission is about 18 meter from the ground up to the cable passing through overhead. And here it was said it was 19.5 meter it was there, so there no case of anyone coming into contact. Third ground was that, look, whenever a tripping takes place, then the entire system has to go blank or dark. That was being monitored regularly and monetarily. But thereafter, this letter was given to the NHRC. Now, NHRC, on the basis of the FIR and the charge sheet, only on the basis of presumptions held that this Power Grid should compensate the lady for her death, which has, according to them, resulted because of electrocution, because of the 765 lines, kV lines. Now, kindly see the two things only. First, I want to show you the technical committee report and the Central Electricity guidelines that it is not even probable or possible that anyone coming into contact with.
What is the report?
Yes, that report, yes. Kindly see the report now. That report will be found at page 93, Annexure 10. 93. And the
What does the report say?
Yes, kindly see, my lord, that in page 94, measured ground clearance in the paddy field of the span tower location number so and so. You find serial number 1, vertical minimum clearance meter measured at mid span from it 19.2. As per norms, vertical clearance should be 18. Therefore, even beyond the norms, we have 1.2 meter more than the required clearance. That was the technical committee report. Then again, we come back to the page number 96, where the findings are given. During this site, with paragraph 8.
Page 96. Yes, I know.
Page 96, paragraph 8.
During the site visit committee, members found that.
Yes, that is the technical committee of the experts. Technical committee of the experts. During the site visit committee, members found that 11 kV line of TPSO DCL is passing by the site of 765 kV lines parallel to the span location number so and so, and the said kV line is crossing 765 line in a span of 446, etc. It is observed that 11 kV MS pole near 765 line, the clearance between one phase of 11 kV conductor to MS pole is very less due to looseness of the fittings. Cross arm lean towards pole, and there is a chances of charging the metallic MS pole and stay wire with 11 kV lines and may cause electrocution. This is not our lines. Then turning over the page as 90, in fact 98, where the conclusion is given. Conclusion: based on the above fact, finding and the site observation, conditions.
So you are saying, you are basically saying, Mr. Padha, the 765 Hon'Ble circulum line from bottom conductor to ground is well above the required height, right? It is above the required height.
I also wanted to show the postmortem report.
Okay.
If somebody comes into contact into 765 kV, it will be charged to SS.
Exactly.
But so far, this lady is concerned. Can you see the injury report?
How did the lady come into contact with the line?
That is why our case is that she might have come into contact with the line with the 11 kV.
But say 11 kV, how the lady can touch that 11 kV?
Because they say that
there must be some, I think, some snapping of the wire somewhere, maybe.
Yes, that is what.
But is it not the responsibility of the TPCOCDL to repair it immediately?
Correct, but we
if the accident has taken place because of that, then the responsibility is on the TPCODL.
Right.
That is our case. That in fact, now can we see that injury report first, so that complete scientifically it is ruled out that there could be any contact with the 765. Page 35 in injury report.
Page 35.
35. Type.
Yes. Internal energy. Charred wound side so much exists left side of skull.
It's part of annexure. It's part of the injury report. Starts at page 30, annexure 4. Okay. Relevant is at page 35. That's the type copy.
Okay.
And so therefore, they say charred wound side exists so and so, so and so, so and so. So this was a charred injuries. Not this is possible because of the low voltage contact, not with the 765 to 760, because I said for the cremation ground 220 is enough. It was 765. Now when this matters are reported to the NHRC, what the NHRC does is goes on the completely presumption, preponderance of probability. Now neither the scientific report
or so see one thing, two, three possibilities are there. One is that there may be the wire may be here and there. She might have come in contact with that wire. Number one. If that happens, that is also your responsibility.
No, that is Tata Power's responsibility.
Who are you then?
I am Power
Grid. Oh, you're the supplier.
I am the national grid.
Okay, sorry, sir.
I am not the local grid.
So you are the supplier of that.
That's right.
Power. So why Tata Power is not party?
NHRC, they have not been made a party. This is against
made party to Tata Power.
This is against a proceeding of the NHRC. Lordship sees what my learned senior is referring to.
Challenges the
NHRC order. And
now even in the NHRC order, kindly see Mr. Das, can you show the regulations? Can you show regulations?
It's the show cause notice at 101. NHRC order, my lord, is at annexure 15, page 106. Relevant is at 107.
Let's see that. What is the order? With the order, page
107, it starts with
107. The secretary power.
Can you see the fourth paragraph, fourth and fifth paragraph? The commission has considered the report. Admittedly, the charge sheet prima facie reveals the commission of alleged offence and thereby satisfies the test of preponderance of probability.
No, that basically, sir, Gridco has no role. That's what you're saying.
That's right.
So, if at all any role is there, the Tata make them party.
That's right. And then, my lord, additional.
Implement now with this.
Will implement.
Not concept of the petitioner to implement Tata Power. What is the full form? Tata Power?
SODL is South Odisha Division Limited. Tata Power SODL, South
Tata
Odisha
Power SODL. South Orissa
Division Limited. Distribution Limited.
Distribution. We made a party. You file that within 2-3 days.
I'll find it. I'll find it.
So when should I
And
fix?
one thing I wanted to bring to the notice of the Honorable Court. In fact, can you see Regulation 9 of the NHRC regulation? That regulation says that if this issue is pending in the court, then can you see Regulation 9? It's very important. And sub-regulation 11. Yes, they say commission may dismiss in limine complaint of the following nature. The matter is sub judice before a court or a tribunal. Here, what had happened, that matter was already pending in the court. So that was in the criminal court. And also I have come to know now they have filed a civil suit.
Civil
also.
suit also.
And that civil suit number is 147 of 2023.
If civil suit is, then why are
Exactly. They could not have pursued it.
Exactly. That is our
Who has
claim.
filed that? Tata?
No, the
That lady.
The lady. The next of kin.
The next of
That's
our
right.
kin. Okay.
That's right. In
So-
fact, NHRC ought not to have proceeded. It is without jurisdiction.
Exactly. So let's issue notice to that.
My lord. And in the meantime, let this order be halted, my lord.
Yeah, then I'll do that.
So my lord, the impugned order is being at this moment kept at evidence stage.
Yes,
Because there are, I'm so obliged. So
the petitioner is a
public sector undertaking.
Yeah, I'll do that. The petitioner, which is a public sector undertaking, Government of India.
Government of India.
Engage in mainly the transmission of bulk power across the country. So the petitioner is affected by, it says the petitioner is the affected party. As there has been a recommendation for compensation to be paid by the petitioner. There is a recommendation.
Page 107, 3rd August 2023.
Third August, 3rd 11.
3rd 11th, 3rd November.
November. Complaint has been made by the impugned order dated 3/11/2023 for death due to electrocution by the alleged negligence of the employee of the petitioner. Land Constable, the Senior Constable Mr. Upadhyay submits that the petitioner should not have been indicted in the present case since the petitioner is not directly in the charge of distribution. It is the Tata Power South
Orissa
Division-
Distribution
Limited, which is the appropriate authority which should have been answerable to the issue. And accordingly, compensation should have fixed on the said company. In such view of the matter, let notice be issued to OP number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 we've already
Union of
served.
Union of India.
Already served.
Okay. OP 5 has already been served. 1, 2, 3, 4 by registered post. Registered post. List the matter on.
As your lordship pleases, whatever is the reasonable time.
Which day will be convenient to Mr. Upadhyay?
No, I will go by the convenience of the court.
No. If you just, I know Monday, Friday will be a difficult day for you. So maybe should I fix on 19 Tuesday?
19th of
Sorry, 19 Monday, February Monday,
of February or March, my lord saying.
February.
February.
Yes. You want longer date? I will ready to give.
Can we possible on 22nd?
Okay, 22nd, no problem. 22nd.
Very well.
22nd.
I'm sorry.
And what is the IA?
A, my lord, flag A.
581.
My lord.
In the meantime, there shall be of the operation of the impugn order dated 3/11/2023 passed by National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, in case number 1648/18/5/2/2022, pending disposal of the writ petition. Give a short note for next time.
I will.
And other particulars.
My lord, the issue of jurisdiction primarily, as my learned
I'll see that.
saying.
Give a short note.
I will.
On the next day, we'll see.
My lord. Very well. Very well. Deeply obliged. Item number
But somebody has to answer, na?
Ah.
You may be jurisdictional, you may be ousted, suppose.
My lord.
But who will be, somebody has died.
My lord.
Somebody has to pay compensation. We have to fix with, I mean, on somebody.
Yes, yes.
Let the Tata Power come.
Very well.
It is a distribution company actually.
I get. I'm deeply.
Next.
Item number 6.
May it please, my lords.
6.
May it please, my lords. Thus, the case in brief is that there were no banking facilities in some rural areas. No banking facilities in some rural areas of Simulia Gram Panchayat, wherein the government had directed wide Annexure 1 to construct.
What do you want?
Let's have a representation at Annexure 2.
What do you want? What do you want?
Lordship, for the banking facility to be
Banking facility court can't give under, sir. You go
Lordship, there's a direction.
go and approach a neta, whoever nearest neta who is there. Talk to him. He will meet the SBI general manager who is sitting in Bhubaneswar. He might think if it is possible, feasible, whatever you will examine. And
Lordship, there's a government order at Annexure 1. May kindly see.
Saying for the before honorable court to make some arrangement regarding that facility. His main grievance is the building and the infrastructure, construction of the building matter. This is not the purview of our
infrastructure is also why how I mean,
It was directed to be constructed near the Gram Panchayat building.
who has directed?
Office of the Panchayat Samiti, my lords.
Panchayat to court come.
Lordship, direction had been given to for the welfare of the villagers, my lords. But for the welfare of the villagers, that
So why have you come here? What is your grievance?
lords, that particular construction, the Panchayat office has directed to be constructed 3 kilometers away from the Gram Panchayat.
How this court will address that issue? Go and file PIL for that.
My lords, sir, writ also, my lords have sufficient power.
Sufficient power.
Lords, to direct.
Power have you seen power? Have you seen justice? Justice केमती देखा जाए? पहले ठीक है. Power सेंधी सेंधी जिनसे. Power भी के देखी पारंदी. Feel करंदी खाली. I don't feel any power. So there is no power. Hence you are go. You are out.
Lords, may
I don't have any power.
Lords, may direct Annexure 2 to be considered. That's all.
Why representation by mu बच्ची थी? वो काम नहीं. वो post pion. Representation देवी या ये करी. Society government direct. इतने क्या है?
We went there, my lords. We weren't entertained by that. That's why we've come before my lords. Rural villages, my lords, they want one bank.
सेमती कोर्ट एंटरटेन करिवा सिवा सब गारे आम गारे बैंक दियो आम गारे पोस्ट ऑफिस दियो आम गारे
That has been allowed.
बुचर खाना दियो आम गारे कोन मांस दुकान चा दुकान सब दुकान दियो कोड आइबे तावे कोर्ट रेटा काम
It has been allowed, my lords. Just the
Where is
place of construction.
Who has allowed you?
Was the office of the Panchayat Samiti. They have directed.
पंचायत वालों को बोलो जाके कोर्ट क्या करेगा?
The area in which it is to be constructed.
Court has nothing to do with पंचायती राज वाला कौन कले कौन न कले से बुझिबे.
Annexure 1 is there. So the court is allowed. It has not been allowed. Demarcation by pending which is a collection court.
And demarcation has been done 10
Seek
kilometers.
a remedy also. And consider the petitioner seeks to withdraw the writ petition.
Milos may adjourn this and seek instructions, Milos, to that
Pursue
effect.
his remedy at the appropriate forum.
Plus the demarcation is done. Mo annexure ta jodi dispose of kar annexure 2 in to consider my annexure. These are villagers, poor villagers before my lord.
villager wala ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ କହିବେ ଓକେ ଯିବ ତାର ଗଲେ 5 ମାସ ପକେଇଦେବେ ଫେର ଆଇବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ
In accordance with law, Milords, whatever is right, these villages, they may get that. We are not paying anything more.
authority ନା କଲେକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ କଲେକ୍ଟର କହନ୍ତୁ କଲେକ୍ଟର
Collector has been made a party, Milords, in this.
କଲେକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆମେ ଚିଠି
They have Milords at Annexure 2.
ଦେଇଥିଲେ
Agya, Annexure 2, Milords.
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖି
Annexure 2, page 11. May I submit, please? The place of that bank has been shifted to 3 kilometers away from the village, Milords, which is difficult for the villagers.
okay lego
That is all.
land constable without going to the merit of the case land constable the petitioner submit that since the branch the bank which bank
Banking facility, Milords.
the banking facility the village has been taken to about 3 kilometer distance which is crippling the villagers to avail the banking facilities conveniently. Full stop. The petitioner has also ventilated its grievance before the collector by Balesa by way of a representation under Annexure 2. That representation dated
Represent data, Milords.
15/12/2023. In view of the above, the collector sorry, collector Balesa
Agya.
is directed to dispose of the representation at the earliest possible, preferably within a period of 1 month from today.
In light of Annexure 1, Milords. The office order.
Sir, the कही जो अच्छी है अपने in light
Okay,
of-
in light of Annexure 1, Milords, the office order of the.
let him you go there apply now. Why in the light of
Milords, I'll take Milords, whatever my.
video କଥା के सुनिबा ना कलेक्टर ताई सर डिसाइड करियो वीडियो कोन कहि जाय
More representation that decide korantu in accordance with.
कहली
Again. I'll bow down. No. We have proof, Milords. We have.
let you go approach that with if the petitioner show desire he can approach the collector with fresh representation. Hala fresh representation and the said pin number के collector
Collector is office number
2 shall
2, Milords.
dispose of this time within 1 month from today. On from the date of presentation of the
Milords.
and this thing. New दे दियंतु से
Again.
जेथिबा रखि दो
Only poor villages, Milords, that's why I was
poor
placing.
कपटा आउट दे दियंतु आपण बने दियंतु
Again, no, representation mun debi.
villager ना पुअर नहीं है आजिकल तांकर टाउटर पछरे बाहर गए पुअर विलेजर बहुत बेसी पॉलिटिक्स है सेटिंग हां नेक्स्ट
I'm grateful.
Item number
Deep-
7.
My lord. Yes, my lord, the one Ritika Bindani died on 1/5/2021 due to attack by a wild elephant, and for which a UD case has been registered.
wild elephant where
Wild elephant in the jungle, my lord. While
which jungle
my lord, in Andhari jungle, my lord. In Andhari forest area, my lord. While she was going to for attending call of nature, she was attacked by wild elephant, and she died,
it is inside the jungle
my lord.
तो कौन कोसला जंगल रे
She was going for attending call of nature, my lord.
जंगल को गले जा आका पाका कोडी कॉल ऑफ नेचर पे जगह नथला
My lord,
जंगल भीतर को मैं पछतला
my lord, for which he sustained injury on brain.
sir I am asking why he was in jungle
Because my lord, the report shows that because
गछ
they
काटी
are residing with
गछ काटी दिथियो पक्का गछ काटी दिथियो हाथी देखि तो दौड़िथियो हां सेतर कंपनी कहीं देबू आपण
UD case has been registered.
आपण हाथी मार जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आसी
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Postmortem report is there. He sustained injury on brain, and
annex
my lord, the Annexure 2 series, the cause of death of the deceased due to elephant attack.
okay take notice land council the state to take notice in this issue
And my lord, he is entitled for compensation.
अरे सर तो मोटे से नोटिस ना तो आना तो गिव a copy
Yes, sir.
next list the matter on March 5th next
Item number 8.
8
Please, your lordship. A small grievance before your lordship. It is a compensation against damage of a horticulture farms about 20 acres under Annexure 6.
damage due to what
The entire horticulture farm
Damage due to what? What is the reason for the damage?
by elephants.
By elephant.
By elephants. That the application under Annexure 6 was filed.
Which district?
Cutoff. Tahsildar kale, Tahsildar inquiry kale. Conducted an inquiry. That is under Annexure 7. The report was submitted. Yes, the horticulture farm carries 20 acres of land, and also there was a plantain, banana trees, coconut trees, guava, papaya, all those things. And also I have availed a loan that also I had to pay to the bank. The National Horticulture Board also given that a subsidy, which has been returned back because of this damage.
Have you approached the collector?
Yes, your lordship. That is no collector.
Who?
Tahsildar na
Oh,
Tahsildar. Tahsildar. That is Annexure 6 at a running page 20.
What did he say?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Tahsildar kouchi inquiry kale. That is Annexure 7.
Inquiry karnati. Yeah.
Inquiry korchanti. Tahsildar. That is Annexure 7.
Yes.
And it is categorically stated that a horticulture farm carries 20 acres of land, and also all those trees which I submitted that has been damaged by wild elephants. That is there. That compensation is to pay only. That is the small prayer before Lord.
Petitioner ki laganti. This is ki.
This is
Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry.
Jagannath Sahu petitioner.
Sorry.
Owner of the horticulture.
Sorry, the petitioner who is the owner of the horticulture farm, which has been damaged by the wild elephants. On who dinner?
On 10.
10 में से एप्पे किंतु आस्ते आपण
नहीं नहीं सेबेठू फाइल ହେଇଛି ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମେ 2 ଥର 3 ଥର 5 ଥର ମେମୋ ଦେଲୁ ଉଠୁ ନଥିଲା we are fortunate that it is placed before lordship
ଯାହା ଅଛି ପୁରୁଣାଟା ସବୁ ଉଠାଣ ଏମିତି କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଯାହା ହୋଲ୍ଡ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଲଗା ଦେଲେ 50 ଟା 40 ଟା ଲଗା ଦେ ସାର
22 1 2010
22 2010 but the
next step is the inquiry. हाँ कखारू पपेया सब तो 20 एकर गोटे बाटी संपत्ति थी.
Okay, regular. Okay, if you notice the opposite party, land council of the state, Mr. Moon waves of notice on the state, returnable on 21st March.
Of late.
Let him take instruction.
Huh.
You file a reply directly. Okay. Next.
Item 11.
Actually, if Indian bank को दरकार नहीं कारण से आमाटू मुझे दे देंगे मैं एक्चुअली बाबू तुझे से टंगाले साढ़े 8 तब मुझे तातो लोन टोटल में आगे 23 लाख टका खर्च
आगे कंपनसेशन देबे सेट एडजस्ट किंदी करे आपण देबे ना छन कंपनसेशन
ना ना मुझे दे देली परा बात है कि सेमदी नोटिस इशू कले सरफेस एक्ट रे आई पेड द अमाउंट क्लियर कर दो ठीक है ठीक है ना देखो
तहसीलदार छोटा लोग पार्टी कौन करियो रेवेन्यू सेक्रेटरी पार्टी कर तहसीलदार गुड कौन काई देई जाव देई ना दीपो पार्टी कर ना इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कर छथि पार्टी
मु विथ परमिशन आई एम
आपण इंश्योरेंस भी थिला
अगेन हां अगेन सब
इंश्योरेंस थिला
इंश्योरेंस न थला
आ फिर हां कहू छथि
नहीं इंश्योरेंस बैंक लोन हमें अवेल करथुल के पास
बैंक लोन कर एमती हॉर्टिकल्चर गार्डन इंश्योरेंस होनी की हुए तो
वही करना
इंश्योरेंस पाई थांते ना ए जे तो वेस्ट ग्राउंड
एक्चुअली साल हॉर्टिकल्चर बोर्ड रो
नहीं तांको स्कीम रे करथल जे किंतु डैमेज कल तो
एनीवे यू जस्ट टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन
आगे हाथी कोले हाथी जातीय संपत्ति हमें कह दो होते ठीक है कुछ परमिशन आने में तहसीलदार আছে
एमती होय नहीं सर इम्प्लीमेंटेड एप्लीकेशन लगाबी एमती हाथ रे विथ परमिशन ले दी ना you make him party make तहसीलदार and collector both make party collector भी करो दे
आगे
not consider petitioner to implement the तहसीलदार and the collector कटक
नहीं नहीं तहसीलदार टंगी चौधर तो कलेक्टर का
हां पार्टी लिस्ट मैटर
21st March.
21st March. February आसो एगो इरा नोटिस इशू करे ना
आगे
so 21st ना ये तो करो 12 तक 13 तक
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ପଳେଇବ ନୋଟିସ ଆଉ
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ରେ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ବିନା ଇଏରେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିବେନି ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଥିଲି ୱିଥ୍ ପରମିଶନ ଅଫ ୟୁର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଗେଟ୍ ହଉ ହଉ ତାହେଲେ
ଫର୍ମୁଲା
ଠିକ
ଯୋଉଟା
ଅଛି
ଅଛି ଯୋଉ ମେଥଡ ଫଲୋ କରିବେ ନା ଆଉ
ହଉ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ସବୁ ସର୍ଟକଟ କଲେ କେମିତି ହବ କିଛି ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 11.
ଡେଲିଭରି ଅଫ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ଆଉ ଆପଣ
ଡେଲିଭରି ଆଉ ଜଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ ହୁଏ କି ପଛରେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହୁଏ ଉପରକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯିବେ ଉପର କୋର୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିକି ଆପଣ ଉଡେଇ ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫୋର୍ଟିଫାଇ କରୁଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 11,
Item
I am for the opposite party, my lord. Last chance was given to the petitioner. They are not pursuing the case.
ପିଟିସନର କିଏ
Petitioner is not absent, my lord. Not
Last
pursuing the case
occasion,
since
none
8
appeal.
years.
Last occasion, none appeal.
Aji
ନନ୍
ରଖିଥିଲେ
ଆপিୟର୍ସ
non
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ଡେଟେଡ କେତେ
22/1/22.
ଆଜି ରଖିଥିଲେ last time.
22nd January.
22nd ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଏଇଥିରେ ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ଲଗେଇନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ ସେଇସୁ ନାହିଁ ସ୍କାନ କରିନା ନନ୍ ଆପିୟର୍ସ today on 22nd January 2024 also non appears. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. It's been dismissed for non-prosecution. And even because of action arises, the petitioner is
Name may be
granted
reflected.
liberty to approach the
Okay.
court within 30 days from today. Name likely.
Item 12.
12.
Item 12.
Non appears. This is the matter on 5th. Next.
Item 13.
13. Time results. This matter on 6th. Last time is on 6th. Non-appears available. Next.
Item 15.
15.
My lord, Passover after lunch.
Passover.
I
All Passover. Next.
Item 17.
17.
Item 17 permitted withdrawals.
Permitted to withdraw. What is your name?
Prahlad Sahu.
Next. Next.
Item number 21.
21. 9. 21. 20.
20 टा time नहीं ହେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Time नहीं है
12 February.
21.
21.
Non-appears. That's what. Take one word. This is the matter on March. No, 9th March. Next.
22.
22.
Today they served the copy of the read petition, my lord. Here, my lord, the loan account has been closed from 4th June 2020 by the annexure 3, page 35, my lord. Now they are saying that after closing the loan account, recalculate the interest and refund the money. That is his main grievances is that his application is all pending before the banking ombudsman.
To pursue that.
That is the
pursue the petitioner seeks withdrawal of the present rate petition since the his representation is pending before the banking ombudsman. Full stop. Bhubaneswar. Full stop.
Annexure 4. Claim.
Annexure 4 for when sir, the petitioner wants to pursue his remedy there.
Directed to dispose within stipulated period.
Okay.
Already claim number.
If the matter has not been dealt with by the ombudsman, banking ombudsman Bhubaneswar, this code directs the ombudsman to complete the pass an appropriate order after hearing the parties.
Kindly reflect the claim number, matter. My claim already filed and numbered it, but not disposed the matter.
Count a code sheet again. ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତିନି ବୁଝନ୍ତିନି ଖାଲି କୋଉ ଦୁନିଆରେ ରହନ୍ତି କି ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛି ଏତେ ଯାଏ ଗପିଲି ଏଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ବୁଝିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ କହିଲି ସେ କଥା ତ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବାର ରିପିଟ କଲେ କଣଟା ହବ
Dispose of Milord.
Obliged. Item 23.
annexer କେତେଟା
Annexure 4, my lord.
ହଁ ଲେଖିଦେ ନମ୍ବର which is an annexer 4 likhwa and the said complaint is pending. Pending since 27/9/2023. That reproduction be disposed of. What is this one today?
Obliged.
Next.
Item 23.
23 ରେ ସେ interim bail ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଇଏ ବଟ୍ ମତେ କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ନୋଟିଂ ବି ଅଛି state has not received the copy man
କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
No, other day matter was also disposed of, directed to file the interim application. Interim application filed on the very day.
Okay.
Number was there.
Okay.
He can also receive a copy right now. Take a copy.
Take that.
Take a copy.
এটা আসলে স্টার্টাস
Status census. 17 days. 30.
The petitioner you been in custody since
6 years already in custody.
6 years. Where is your interim prayer?
103.
130.
103. 130. Sorry, 130.
130.
Yes.
Petitioner is in custody since on which date?
He is in custody
Who did
since
କେତେ ଏଜ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ
26/11/2018.
40 years
40 କେତେ ଏଜ୍ ଅଛି
40 years
18 ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ଏଜ୍ ଟା ସାର୍ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଚ୍ଛା 18 ଡେଟ୍ ଟା 18
18
କେତେ କେତେ
26/11/18.
He is in custody since 26/11/2018. Considering the illness of the father of the petitioner and some medical emergency in the family, the petitioner seeks for an interim bail for 2 months. Considering the period of custody and the tardiness in the trial process, this court will review that the petitioner may be enlarged on bail or interim bail for 2 months. It is made clear that the petitioner shall not abuse the liberty during the currency of the bail period. Push up. It is also made clear that the conditions for the appearing you get a posting. I think before the trial, you get a plan. Okay, right.
Item 21.
let's see posted to his date
এটা
original
অরিজিনাল আসু আইব সরিনর কলা পরে আইব তো এপ্রিল আসু 2 মাস এপ্রিল 24
Item 21. I'll remove the second one.
9th March.
petitioner to remove the defect within a week. The ratio to proceed with the matter after the removal of the defects. Next.
Item 21. Remove the defect.
See the कहली again 21 records होची ना लिखले परा 21 रो 21 लिखलो ना 21
Item 24.
24
Last time non-appeared.
24
Last time non-appeared.
Last time can non-appearance in the matter. The last question also nobody was found to appearing in the matter in such way that the decision is Dismiss for non-personal. Next.
25.
I am filing the consolidated cost title, including Union of India as part.
Okay. The consolidated cost title is taken on record. And issue notice to the Union of India? Union of India issue होता?
Again.
Union of India particular. It को matter है?
Crop insurance.
Okay. To include the Union of India Agriculture Secretary. How go to
Secretary Agriculture.
Agriculture Department. Okay. Agriculture Department. Let's say it's a batch के बाद
13th.
13 dash.
I am also serving a copy of the count.
ठीक.
ये लक्षित में है.
I did that is between you. I should do that for an answer. One of the सब का लेकिन. Next.
26.
26 May, please, my lords. My lord, it has come in the noting that it has to be CRL MC, my lord. So
You can change it. Land Council petitioner wants the permission of the court to change to CR RV to CRM. According to the registry to. What change the registry rate? Matter the registry to. Okay, CRM like one na.
No,
And again, the matter be placed before the applicable bench.
Hello, blessed. Hello.
Next.
Item 27.
27. 27.
Your lordship, on behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, I ask next week.
On behalf of the Dinala. The Maham comment argue करबेनी
Again?
कौन पे argue करबेनी अपन you argue the matter
File ta aji file se he is out of city.
who is out of city
Mr. Mahapatra.
तो आप कहले मतलब फाइल टा दरकार बोले मतलब बिना फाइल में कैसे करू कर बोले टाइम लगा भाई 21st March Madras. Next.
Item 28.
28. 28.
At flag game, there is a memo for withdrawal, my lord.
Okay, withdrawal. Right. Memo for withdrawal is kept on record. Next. Next.
Item 31.
31. Non-appeal. Non-appeals on behalf of the petitioner.
Last of the
On the last occasion also non-appeals on behalf of the petitioner. Last occasion on 29/1/2024 also. Nobody appeared for the petition. It seems the petitioner is not interested person dismissed. Next.
32.
32. 32.
32.
Okay. This is the matter. 7 March, 7th February, 7th February.
Item 33.
33. 33. Nothing.
Defect removed.
Defect has not been removed. As per the SR report, defect has not been removed. The petitioner is granted 1 week time to remove the defects failing which matter should stand dismissed automatically without reference to the court. Next.
Item 35.
35. 35. None. As if defect will remove any. As per the SR report, the defect has not been removed. Currently 1 week time is granted the petitioner to remove the defects failing which stand. Next.
36.
Pinagi. Okay, this is the matter on 8. Non-appeal. Next.
37.
37.
Defect removed.
Defect
removed.
Defect who's the report number?
36.
30?
36.
36.
One appears for the petitioner, 8th of February.
ଆପଣ ଏପ୍ରିଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
Lordship.
ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିସାରିଲିଣି
Lordship.
ମୁଁ ତ ଡିସମିସ୍ କଲିଣି କେହି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି
Sorry, Lordship.
କଣ ସେଟା କଣ
Withdraw.
ୱିଡ୍ର ହେଲା ଏକାଟା ୱିଡ୍ର କରିଦେବେ ଏଇ ଡିସମିସାଲ ବହୁତ ୱିଡ୍ରଲ ବି ଡିସମିସ ନନ୍ ଏପିଏସ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟିଗ୍ରିଟି ଟିକେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ମାର୍କ ଆସିବ ନାଇଁ
ନା ଆଉ କିଛି ଫିଜି ମିଳିବନି।
ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 37.
37
Defective moving.
defective remove to the one with next
38.
38 same order
Your Lordship, 38.
non-APS the defect to be removed within 1 week removes next 39
39 urgent.
40
Item 40.
My lord, kindly pass over, my lord. I will come physically and argue the case. Item 40, my lord. Item 40.
41 ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେଣି
Item 39, my lord.
39 ହୋଇଛି 39
39 ଟା time ନେଇଥିଲେ
somebody has taken time adjournment
13th March.
13th March 13th March
Time after time they are taking, my lord.
who is for the opposite party
ସେ ଆସି ମେନସନ କଲେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେଇକି ଆସିଛି ବୋଲି
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେଇଛି ବୋଲି କହିଲେ
My lord କହିଲେ Monday ପାଇଁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ। Monday ପାଇଁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲେ।
ମଣ୍ଡେ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ରଖିବୁ ନା ଆମ ହିସାବରେ ରଖିବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ତ
Intimate କରିଥିଲେ କହିଲେ Monday ପାଇଁ
ହେଲା
ରଖିବା।
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ 40
At 40, I kindly pray for pass over. I will come physically and argue the case, my lord.
today
Today, my lord. Today, pass over.
okay pass over after 2 p.m.
Yes, my lord. Okay.
Next.
Item 41.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. AP Bose, AD not received by the opposite party. LCR also not received.
AD not received
Yes, my
any
lord.
okay which more time party appear in person or advocate list the matter on March 11
Published.
next
Item 42.
Kyle. Notice was again, my lord. Notice was not returned, my lord. I pray another chance be given to file fresh notice. Both ways, my lord.
43 40
Pardon
42
to say करले.
Pardon me, madam. 36 interim order was there.
36 interim order
38.
38. I'm sorry.
38 भूलभाल नंबर कहीं पड़े आप चेंज कर देती
I'm sorry.
38 interim order काट दी थी क्या
ना मैं peremptory defect remove करे था.
डिफेक्ट रिमूव करना नहीं डिफेक्ट भी क्योर करना इंटरव्यू ऑर्डर नेगिर पळेला डिफेक्ट क्योर भी करलेनी एंती कदे होची समस्या से आउची आगो इंटरव्यू ऑर्डर नेगिर पळे जाय तार डिफेक्ट क्योर कर वर्ष वर्ष करना थी बढ़िया ये कौन है এটা no you must clear
I'm doing it in course of the day. I'll do it.
next
Item 43.
43 next
Your Lordship, modification, Your Lordship.
sorry
I have filed modification of high, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
modification for what
Your Lordship, it's not the interim value, Your Lordship.
हाँ
Now I am challenging the interim value, Your Lordship.
अपन किए
I am for petitioner, Your Lordship.
petition what is challenge की
Your Lordship, working as a OSF Sipahi, Your Lordship.
हाँ
Petitioner is a government employee. OSF AP battalion, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, petitioner is the interim value, Your Lordship. And court below has granted 6 months, Your Lordship. But and that interim bill has expired on 6 February, Your Lordship. In this case, I pray for grant bail, Your Lordship. That Your Lordship also granted bail, Your Lordship, but order has
Lordship, on the
mentioned
last date,
one.
my apologies, on the last date, Lordship has granted an interim bail pending final adjudication of this case. They have filed an IA seeking modification of that order saying grant us permanent bill and not, that is in nature of the final relief.
Lordship 6 month, 6 February, sorry, your Lordship. So your Lordship granted 1 month interim bill, your Lordship. Your Lordship already granted 1 month, your Lordship order, but I have filed modification. I pray for granted permanent bill.
परमानेंट दोनी इंटरव्यू देला आपण तो बाहर इंटरव्यू में परमानेंट बाहर ते रहले एन्जॉय करले कोन रासी देगला
Your Lordship,
परमानेंट कोन पे देबी कोन ऑफेंस कोन अछि
376, your Lordship, both are major
What offense?
offense under section 423, 766, 2N, 406, 506 IPC, your Lordship. Both are major, already victim also married person. He has a dispute between her husband.
So another 1 month बड़ा पता देगा
Your Lordship, 3 months, your
another
Lordship.
1 month
Your Lordship, 3 months.
आउट ऑफ जॉब तब देख
Obliged.
नेक्स्ट बड़े जाओ अंदर रिक्वेस्ट द हेल्प कंसल्टेंसी वो सब तो जनरल ओल्ड मैन ये 70 वर्ष ना what is the age of that this man age
Pardon, my lord. Your Lordship, age 40.
huh 40
Your Lordship.
40
2 minutes. 37 years, your Lordship.
मुझे सेप्टोजेनेरियन ओल्ड मैन लिखु जी आपण ओडा लेवल 37 ये यंग लोगडा ओल्ड कोड हैला लोग 37
41 years old, man.
हां एबे 41 is हेलो next
Item 44.
44 2005 में इटे जारल में आज उठे उठे इटे नॉन appears in the matter अब ये देखो ठीक এটা নিয়ে পড়ছি matter 7th 8 February को next
45.
45
I am for the in this. Let's see, is dispute regarding intercessionality within the petitioner and the opposite party number 3. Now both have retired. I'm filing my list of dates today with a copy to the other side. Decisions I wanted to also give, but I was informed that Mr. Nanda, the senior advocate, he has some difficulty. Any adjournment if your lordship gives?
Okay.
Accordingly, we will also file our written notes of submission, my lordship.
You filed.
Written notes I have filed. and
You have
the
filed.
list
You
of
have filed.
dates.
We will file, my lordship.
Will file. You have not
Yes.
filed yet.
No, my lordship.
No written notes I have filed, my lord. I am giving my list of dates. Citations some I am relying on. I'll give
The
it by the
matter has been heard already. Or it will be heard.
No, it will be heard. It has not been heard. It is fixed for final hearing only, my lord.
Fix so. 16th.
Again, 16th as well.
Next.
16th.
16.
Again.
Yes.
Next.
Item 46.
46.
I mean, pardon, my lord. Item 44, my lord.
44 ever कल अपने?
On appearance है कि 8th of February.
8th of February.
44.
8th of February, sir. 8th February.
Trace matter, my lord.
तो आप नथिले मु कोन करबी डेट देबिनी
Just
आपण सला पर आबी मु कोन करबी डेट दे फेट से आसीबी आप
launch for the pass away.
हां अर्जेंट अछि किसी
Yes, my lord.
नेक्स्ट
Lordship, item 46, 2 weeks time, Lordship.
which one 46 what
Instruction ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା, instruction କିଛି ଆସି ନାହିଁ.
2 हफ्ते दरकार इंस्ट्रक्शन पे हफ्ते इंस्ट्रक्शन आसीबनी पाकिस्तान रो आसीबो ना बांग्लादेश रो
କିନ୍ତୁ ସହିତ contact ହେଇ
पेट्रो आनी एक फोन टे बोलला इंस्ट्रक्शन आसीबो
Lordship, contact ହେଇ ପାରୁନି ତ.
हे परनी मोबाइल नंबर चेंज कर दियो लोक तो बायगण आळू वाले चेंज किन मोबाइल चेंज कर नंबर सिम टा
2 weeks time.
22nd
Obliged.
next
47.
So 1 week time, sir.
1 week time कौन पाई सर
Instruction sir.
आसुनी 2006 रे मैटर 1 week time देबी
हाँ sir.
Oh, good. As a last chance, the petitioner is granted 1 week time to take instruction in the matter. List the matter on 11, 12, 13 February. Jandu. Next.
48.
48.
And for the opposite party, number 1 and
Who is for the petitioner?
Mr. Das is the.
Non appears for the petitioner.
On behalf of Miss Das, appearing Lordship, the matter has become infructuous.
Infructuous?
Lordship, he is retired from since 2000.
You are for the petitioner?
On behalf of Miss
He's
Mr.
for-
Sisi Das.
I am asking you are for the petitioner, na? Not the same. We have a mismatch, Srimati Kala.
Petitioner.
On behalf of the petitioner, what is your name?
Chirag Purohit.
Huh?
Chirag Purohit.
Chirag Purohit, submit that. The matter has already become infructuous. According to the dispose of that the matter will dispose of dispose of. Next.
Item 49.
48.
Item 49, my lord, here I am appearing for the petitioner. It is same as item 47, my lord. May I pray your lordship may take it together? Nahi, my lord. My lord, issue ta hala gote pursuant to some violation in rule as alleged by the bank. Gote there was an entrustment of cash to somebody. I am not that person. That cash was found to be snatched away from him. The person who was carrying the cash was lying unconscious on the road, my lord. Pursuant to that, disciplinary proceedings were initiated, culminated.
Against whom?
Against the person who was in custody of the cash and the persons who were involved in the official procedure. Somebody was in charge of some duty. So the pursuant to that, a disciplinary proceeding seems to have was drawn up against 3 of the persons, my lord. That ended in a order wherein some recovery was directed to be made against 3 of the officers. My lord, I am assailing that before your lordship. Though in the meantime, because he was working in a bank, the amount has been recovered, but the order remains unaltered, my lord. So my submission is it has not become infructuous. Your lordship may hear this matter along with 47, which your lordship has been pleased to keep it to 13. If your lordship will.
13.
Again.
For final hearing, don't take for the.
Again.
No party shall be granted for the adjournment. List the matter for final hearing. On 13th. Next.
Item 50.
50. 50 कोड गले केना थी एबे कौन जे देखलो पास 2008 पड़ी छी ये लागे नहीं लागे
I'm not the respondent.
Action of outsource evidence.
OD. Petitioner की non appears for the petitioner. List the matter on 7th. ता देखिए सेदिन करदवा जज बैचेस के आसी आसन तो कोन next.
Item 52.
7. Item
52.
52.
In this case, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Yeah, the petitioner
What is
is
the issue?
My lord, issue is that my husband has died, my lord. On
Died? How he died?
Due to heart attack. On 2nd February 2015 at the age of 33 years.
Okay.
I'm a widow lady. I have a child.
Okay.
And my husband has maintained a policy LIC under the opposite party authority LIC bearing LIC number 586225559.
What is the problem?
My lord?
What is the problem?
My lord, they had disbursed the amount to the nominee who is my brother-in-law. Enter amount. Though I am the legal heir. I had
I
had my lord, I had
they should ask for the who are the legal heir accordingly examine करके देवा कथा जहाँ
I had sent a representation. My representation are returned. They said
representation code थिवो न थिवो
again annexure 1 is the
डस्टबिन रे पड़िथिवो कि
again
जदी जाइथिवो को डस्टबिन रे पड़िथिवो
नहीं सी annexure 1 टा मु नै की गली तांको पाखु से कहले देखिले बोले हां पॉलिसी अच्छी हमें वेरीफाई करी आपन को कहबा दिस अवर्मेंट्स आर टेकन हियर thereafter they verified
Mr. LIC sir LIC sir
and said that there is no such kind of
LIC na ki
no I don't
LIC against LIC
item 52
against LIC ki
against LIC and his brother-in-law
let him Sir, ଆପଣ appear କରନ୍ତୁ ନା।
Last date ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା appear କରିଥିଲେ କିଏ ଜଣେ? Last date ରେ I was not present
କିଏ
but
କରିଛି?
some councillors appeared.
କିଏ କରିଛି ନାଁଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି? ନାଁଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କିଏ କରିଛି?
ଛବିଲତା ବେହେରା।
କିଏ ଅଛି ଲୟର? ନହେଲେ ସାର୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି? ତ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେବେ।
No, 52 is there. I think I misconceived. My writ application is 11609.
Madam, my lord, Shapilata Behara, case 56.
Item of 56. I am sorry, my lord. I thought it is 52.
53.
53, your lordships, on behalf of Mr. Purohit, will receive a counter, counter has been filed in this case, we will receive a counter, your lordships. He is appearing for the petition, your lordships.
You have to file rejoinder?
Yes, lordships.
Lord Constable, the petitioner 1 week time to file, 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder, list the matter March 5th.
Counter copy may be solved.
Counter copy ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ସରକାର counter copy କାହିଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ଏତେ कंजूस? ସରକାର ହାଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛ ବୋଲି? You have not filed. Then file your yeah. Lord Constable, the state to file the reply at the earliest with an advance copy to the petitioner, enabling him to file the rejoinder within 2 weeks, December after 3 weeks. Like the 27th February. 27th February.
Insurance company were directed to solve the copy, your lordships.
Okay, insurance company also directed to solve the copy of the reply.
Copy of the counter, your lordships.
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା କାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି ସାର୍ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଦିଆ ନିଆ ହେବେ ସେଟା ବି ଲେଖିବି ଅର୍ଡରରେ ସବ୍ ଦ କପି ସବୁ ଗପ ଲେଖିବି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର ନା ଆପଣ ଦିଆ ନିଆ ହେବେ ଦେଇଦେଲା ହଁ କାଟ ସବୁ କାଟ
Item 54.
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଉ ଇଏ ରହିବନି ସାଙ୍କ୍ଟିଟି ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଲେଖିବ ସିଏ ଦେଲା ସେ ନେଲା ସିଏ ତାକୁ ସର୍ଭ କରିବ ଏ କଥା ଲେଖିବି ସବୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
54 is short for a short adjournment.
54 କଣ ଲାଗି
ଏ written notes file କରିବାର ଥିଲା।
ମନେ ନାହାନ୍ତି ବାହାଘର ବେଶୀ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ
ନାଇଁ
ଆଉ ଇଭିନିଂ ରେ ବାହାଘର ସବୁ ହଉଛି ନା ଓକେ
next week
15th 15th
the interim order set there ଅଛି।
interim order continue next 55
55, my lord, I am appearing for opposite party number 1 on behalf of Mr. SB Jana.
on behalf of Mr.
SB Jana, my lord.
SB Jana ता ना नहीं तो अच्छा opposite party 1
Opposite party number 1 by.
who is the petitioner नादी आपण
I put the upper 2, back.
petitioner करे गले
It can become infructuous. Matter of 250.
एंती भी non appears adama non appears in the matter and land consider the opposite party number आपण होचे 2
Okay, 2
and
bank.
here for
Opposite party number 1 Khadi board.
1 and 2 have submitted that the issue has already the issue raised in the present petition has already
been
in practice
Matter of 2015.
dispose of I will declare that dispose of in practice if any cause of action however if any cause of action survives the petitioner is granted liberty to appraise within the period of 30 days from today next
Okay.
within 30 days next
56.
This one 56
I am for the opposite party 2 1.
ସେ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସରି LIC ପାଇଁ
He is for the nominee. He is for the
Nominee.
nominee.
ଆପଣ
I am for LIC, lord.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଇଏ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଆପଣ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟା ସବୁ ମାଗନ୍ତି ନା ସିମ୍ପଲି ଯେ
That is the law. ଯଦି ବି legal suppose ଆସିଲେ we can only
ଯଦି ବି ସେଦିନ ଏଇ କଥାରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଜେନେରାଲ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Achha.
in this case when there are legal heirs the first class legal heirs are there how could you disburse the amount to the nominee without ensuring that the legal heirs get the money just nominee ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ କରିବେନି ସବୁ LIC ରେ ସେୟା ହଉଛି ଖାଲି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ କେସରେ ନମିନି ହେଲା ଦେଇଦେଲେ ତାକୁ ସେ ନମିନି ଦେଇକି ସେ କିଏ ହେଇଥିବ ତାର ଦୂର ରିଶ୍ତା ସେମିତିଆ ଲୋକ ବି ନମିନି ଥାନ୍ତି ବେଳେବେଳେ ତେଣୁ ଆଉ ସେ ଲୋକ ପଇସା ଦିଅନ୍ତା ଯିଏ ବିଚାରା ତାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ସଫରିଂ you people are giving money to them
Interesting point is that original LIC bond is with me.
ଆପଣ ସବୁ ପଇସା ଫେରନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା nominee ରୋକନ୍ତୁ no କିଛି ନାହିଁ the nominee which has already received the money from the LIC shall return the money to the legal heir. Who are the legal heir?
My lord, petitioner.
The petitioner and
pardon me.
Just
That is the law, my lord, but what your
Just a
lordship is
second,
observing,
my-
that is
the କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା
That's-
LIC
My lord,
ଆପଣ ଫେରେଇବେ
my lord,
when he receives the money on behalf of legal.
ଆପଣ ଫେରେଇଦେବେ ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ
my lord,
Yes,
just a
that is
second.
it. It
After
is the
her
nominee who
husband
can
expired-
receive the money.
After her husband expired, after 11 days,
ସେ ଘରୁ ପଳେଇଲା
they made a mutual settlement and
Nominee.
relinquished the family.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ
nothing. And leaving
କଣ ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଲା
My
ମ୍ୟୁଚୁଆଲ ସେଟ୍ ମୁଁ କିଛି ନେବିନି ବୋଲା ହଜବେଣ୍ଡର କିଛି ମୋର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କହିଲା
relinquished the in-laws house, my lord.
ରିଲେଙ୍କୁଇଜ କଣ କଲା
All
ଆପଣ
rights,
ଭଗେଇ ଦେଇଥିବେ ରିଲେଙ୍କୁଇଜ କିଛି କରନ୍ତିନି ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ମରିଗଲା ତୁ କିଏ ଭାଗ ଗେଟ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ କହିଦେଇଥିବେ ଆପଣ
No, no, my lord.
ହଁ,
There was a panchayat
ଆପଣ
now.
ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ କଣ କିଛି ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ପଇସା ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାର ହକ୍ ଅଛି ସେ ପଇସା ଉପରେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ଲ ଦେଖ
Mother-in-law is also there.
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
Mother-in-law,
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
62,000, my lord.
62,000.
Mother-in-law is also
ମେ
there.
ବି ଦେୟାର ବଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଫେରନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ନନ୍ କନସିଡର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ଆଗ ପାଇବେ ସେ ବାକି ସେ ମଦର ଇନ୍ ଲ ପଛ କଥା ନନ୍ କନସିଡର ଦି nominee is related to intimate his client to deposit the entire amount to return the entire amount to the petitioner. ଜଣେ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର କି କେତେ
Legal error ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦଉଛି legal certificate ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
କିଏ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ୱାଇଫ୍ ଆଉ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ ବି
ଦେଖିଦଉଛି
ନମିନି ଯେ କଷ୍ଟଡିଆନ only sir କଷ୍ଟଡି କାମ ତାଙ୍କର ଯଦି ହଁ ଯଦି ତା ୱାଇଫ୍ ନିଜେ ନମିନି ଅଛି that's okay she can take it because she
But
wife,
under law,
my lord.
we can only pay it to the nominee, nobody else. Legal aid
ନମିନି
ଦିଆଯାଇ
ଦେଲେ ଯେ
ପାରିବ।
ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ କରିବେନି କିଏ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ଅଛି ସବୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନେ ଚେକ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ତ
My lord,
ପଇସା ଦିଆ ହେଲା ନମିନି ହେଇପାରେ
wife is the first legal error.
ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ନମିନି ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଗର୍ଲଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ନମିନି କରିଦେଇଥିବ
Then, my
ତାକୁ
lord,
ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ
wife-
ଆଉ
ବହୁତ-
ତାର ନିଜ
ବହୁତ-
wife
Contractual relationship
Ah,
between the insured and the company.
all these so contractual relations ବି ହେଇଗଲା ହବନି
Gotcha.
My lord,
also rule method to the madness
wife is the first legal heir. At that time, he was the age of 28 years. And second legal heir is Rohini Behera, his mother. And
all the legal heirs
Jaswanta Behera.
you have to return back and enter legal heir will be the just
No, as the ମୁଁ କହୁଛି wife କୁ ମିଳିଯିବା better ହବ
ଭାଇ ବାକି ତା
ନା, ଆପଣ ଯଦି if your lordship think better
ମା କଣ ମାନେ ସେ widow
she's who
Mother
mother
and
no
father.
father and mother is alive
they are what is their profession
and they ଜାଣିଥିବେ
କରନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
68,000 ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦିଅ
mother ର age 70 and father in law 75 year 20
petitioner along with the children the
No children.
children no children is there
She got married, man.
to the petitioner level to the petitioner on the production of on the presentation of production what I hate that's why production order बाजार language बाजार में यूज होता है इंडस्ट्री में यूज होता है नॉट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एवरीवेयर कोर्ट लिखुଛନ୍ତି presentation of the legal heir certificate very distinct they said the opposite party number 2 is granted 2 weeks time 2 months time to return them ହେଲା 2 ମାସ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ମାନେ 11 ଦିନ ସରିଗଲା ପରେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ବୈଠକ ହେଇକି ସେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜାଗାରେ ବାହା ହେଇଗଲେ
ବାହା ହେଇସାରିଲେଣି
yes
I don't have any knowledge ମତେ କିଛି instruction ନାହିଁ
reading a happy
ଯେତେବେଳେ case file
ଯଦି ବାହା ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ତା mother ପାଇବ
and born with a child.
if they prove it because
just you can you check it can you check
I will
ଯଦି ବାହା ହେଇକି ଅଲଗା ଘରକୁ ଯାଇছে କାହିଁକି ପାଇବ ତା ମା ପାଉ
I had filed this case on 26/6/2015 at that time she was not married as I know 15
ଏତେ ତ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ କରିନଥିବ ବୋଲି କି କହିବ
at that time she was not married
2/2/15 ରେ death 16/2/15 ରେ settlement ହେଇକି ଗଲେ
petitioner to take instruction whether the petitioner is married to been married in the meantime or not and what are the children
no issues no issues
after second time marriage there is children
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସବୁ ଖବର ଅଛି ହିଁ ନମିନି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲି ଖବର ରଖିବେ ନା
मैं भी खबर रखी थी
ଆପଣ ଖବର ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ this is the difference of experience okay.
actually this client is not in
huh
Hmm.
84 पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट आउ केते 4 बाहरलाने अब 84 सुप्रीम कोर्ट हां तापर केतेटा ऑर्डर
Even 83 Supreme Court रे कहूची
आज्ञा 83 रे कण गोटे सुप्रीम कोर्ट
नहीं नहीं they are section 39
जस्ट ए मिनिट
My lord.
केस रा ना कहबे 83
yes my lord that is Sarvati Devi
हां
Sarvati
ना
Devi
कहबे हमका 83 सुप्रीम कोर्ट
नहीं Sarvati
98 सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहूची 98 सुप्रीम कोर्ट गोटे डिसीजन करथिला जंती हां कहले गोटे डिसीजन करथिला सुप्रीम कोर्ट 98
नहीं 30
हजार डिसीजन को
ये कहले 39 even nomination ହେଇଛି ମାନେ it doesn't ये जी की लीगल एयर मैंने बाइफरकेटेड
you take inspection first okay listen matter
License money can be only granted to the
when you have come to court
there has to be verified by the
when you have come to court court should not prejudice anybody and एथि जेतु से फर्स्ट क्लास लीगल एयर अछि से आगो पाइबो nominee is merely a custodian
yes
that's what I believe
yes man
he cannot just take the money and enjoy मैं जाने नहीं से केस में देखा
I have the judgment
Government of success. They have to.
at a mark the relevant paragraph also
you do one thing sir आप नहीं कि आसन तो से दिन नोट कर देंगे चला जान
adjourn to
you just take the instructions
adjourn to
give us short date 12
Raj
item 5 इधर वाला you still not get anything let me tell you parents को दे दो
deeply obliged
next
Item 57.
57
Please, your lordship. Here the small issue is that the private opposite parties had filed a consumer dispute case for refund of their course fee and which was allowed course fees, the admission fees in a college.
course fee
Which was allowed by the district forum. Then due to non-compliance of it, instead of filing a petition for recovery of that amount under section 25 of the Consumer Protection Act, they filed a petition under section 27 of the act, which says that non-compliance of the order will be an offense and it will be tried as per the CRPC in a summary manner. And the Consumer Forum will act as a court of JMFC. So, but with the Consumer Forum ought to have examined him under section 200 CRPC and taken cognizance of the offense and then issued a notice. But it did not do so, simply issued notice to me without taking cognizance of the offense. I am aggrieved by that, your lordship. The order is at page 14. It simply issued a notice.
who is there opposite party
Yes, sir. Mr. Ajit Kumar Pandey is appearing for opposite parties. Is he out of station, my lord? Next week candidate.
ये सब आउट ऑफ स्टेशन सब जीवे एंदे मैटर खाली रेडी बसिकरी आउ एडजन कर चलती कि आउट ऑफ स्टेशन कि हॉस्पिटल पळे जानती कि देखला आउ को कोर्ट आर्ग्यू करते देखला आले अरे हॉस्पिटल पळे गले कार दांत खराब हो जाए कार नाक खराब हो जाए कार कान खराब हो जाए एथि मो सीट एवरी टाइम आई विल गिव एडजमेंट ए तीनटा 30 मैटर सर जुची मोर कोन एटा खाली एडजमेंट यस जीव से अलग क्या देखिए जीव ये कोर्ट आउ देविनी आउ एते एडजमेंट देव एडजमेंट कम जेन्युइन ग्राउंड एडजमेंट नॉट फॉर एवरी रूटीनली कोन एडजमेंट नउछंती 10 वर्ष 10 लिखि दे 10 वर्ष ए ऊपर लिखि दे ऊपर लिखि दो खाली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली एनी मैटर बियॉन्ड 5 ईयर हां नो एडजमेंट शैल बी ग्रांटेड अनलेस देयर इज सम imminent situation the लिखि दे next दे दो सही 20 or 19 20 19 दे 19 next
Item 58. Lord, in 58, I am for the bank. The Lordship will see annexure 2, page 10. This is a case which is not maintainable. Disputed facts are there, my lord, and is asking recovery of money. If your Lordship will see page 10, that letter he has addressed to the bank.
the recovery
He is saying, my lord, if your lordship kindly see page 10, that one person approached him, took a check from him, and another person impersonating his signature took out an amount. And that the bank has to now repay and bank is liable, my lord. All these factual disputes are there and bank's letter is there in the next page that not the what he has given two signatures.
read code कौन करबे कोड रे के सिग्नेचर तारा राइट रॉन्ग ए सब काई देखियो या तो सिविल सूट फाइल करो
Civil court जानते हैं that is why on that ground let it be disposed of.
the present bit the case
Just not followed one of the guidelines of RBI.
there is
Your lordship, one guideline of RBI that
Guideline that guideline through the civil court you can enforce it.
I am not going to do your guideline. So guideline घर रख देखो the petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite party. अच्छा आपण inaction illegal action एते गुडा काई लिखंती inaction वाला सब जानता inaction illegal कोन आउडे propriety blah 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 legal illegal so many word ଗୋଟେ word ଲାଗିଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Asif
ଯାହା
Das.
ଜାଣିବ ଜାଣ ଏବେ କହୁଛି appearing on behalf of ଖସିବ କହୁଛି the election of the opposite party election of the
Page
bank
6 रे prayer टा अच्छी Lordship will see refund the money, appropriate legal action, recover petitioner money.
bank and holder of Eco Bank, Talchet Township Bank. Once Somnath Datta has taken second unsigned bearer check number 3459 of Rupee 10 of the petitioner who has described himself as
Your
a
Lordship,
senior
let the matter come on the next date.
service, Salt Lake City, with
Your Lordship.
Idhan Nagar, Kolkata, West Bengal. One is managed to encase this checkbook, take back behind the petitioner, making material alternation and keeping hand with the bank officials.
That one person
Since-
took the
since-
check
since-
and another person has.
Since the petitioner raises a question of manipulation and impersonation, and also the impersonation of the signature, impersonating signature of the petitioner. This court is ill-equipped to decide such case. Hence, the petitioner is directed to approach the appropriate court within 1 month from today, and the said court shall consider the delay aspect sympathetically.
59.
59.
In your lordship may call it next week. We do not know after very many days it is listed whether the petitioner is there or not. The 70 years of age, then Corona
Right.
intervened in the meantime and is destitute.
So bolo. 20 second.
Let's hope so.
20 second.
I am for the OP2.
Next.
Yes.
Next.
Item 60.
My appearance may carry different lordship.
Item
The company issue.
Next.
OP2.
Item 60 my lord.
60.
I मतलब next week मतलब file is misplaced my lord.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଫାଇଲ ଭାଇଲ କେତେ ମିସକେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଣ କେତେଟା ଫାଇଲ ମିସେସ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆଜି ଆପଣ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି 40-50 ହଜାର ଫାଇଲ ମିସେସ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆମର କପି ନେଇ କରନ୍ତୁ କପି ଦିଅ
My lord, I am for the OP number 1 and 2 on behalf of Mrs. Singh.
ନା ଛାଡ଼ ଦେଇଦେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସରେ ଆସିବ ଫାଇଲ ପାଇବେ 30 ଏପ୍ରିଲରେ ଫାଇଲ ଆସିବ ତାପରେ ଆସିବ 30th ଏପ୍ରିଲ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Mana this case also involves.
30th ଏପ୍ରିଲ ବେଟରେ କିଛି ଅଛି ନା ଇନଫେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ଏଇଟା ତ
ଅଛି
disputed questions of facts. It
କଣ
involves.
ଲିମିଟେଡ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଅଫ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ ପାଇଁ କଣ ଛଡା ଅଛି କଣ
ଏଇଟା ତ
facts?
maintainable ହବନି 26 ରେ।
କଣ ଅଛି କଣ ସେଟା କଣ
ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଯିଏ testator
Bank not disbursing the deposit amount of the DCT.
why
Another, who is not the natural legal heir of the DCT.
जान बैंक सिविल कोर्ट के जान तो के नेचुरल डिसाइड कर दो एठी यूनिट कोर्ट रे हम डिसाइड करू से सब देखो दिस कोर्ट इज
Deposit amount bank not paying.
डोंट डिस्टर्ब this court is totally ill-equipped to decide such cases. Hence, the petitioner is directed to the cases of revision.
The fixed deposit amount not disbursed by the bank to the natural daughters of the.
With respect to the dispute among the party regarding the legal heir. The petitioner is
Natural daughters man.
hela legal heir kali hela ni
Another is nobody related.
natural
Made an application of bank stop.
sir legal heir na say legal heir na among the legal heir they should approach the appropriate court for by way of a partition suit appropriate court for redressal of the grievance. If the petitioner approaches the state court in 1 month from today, the courts within 15 days from today, the court shall undo the delay sympathetically and dispose of the matter at the earliest possible. Hello.
the name of Mrs. Sigdar be noted.
आगे दियंतु सब मन मन मोर थिबो आपण कागज दे देबे ना कागज देबे जे ना नोट करबो कागज देबो ना नोट कागज न देबो ना नोट होबो
The annexure 3 is the legal heir and the opposite party 3 He has not appeared in this case.
କଥା ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯିଏ ଯୁଆଡେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ମା ଆଉ ଏଠୁ ଭିଡିଓ ଜମା ଦେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ଏସବୁ ହୁଏନି ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
61.
ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର କି କଣ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବି
May I please, Your Lordship? In this case, the limited prayer of the petitioner that he availed loan from Rashtriya Malagos, which is under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. My Lord friend is appearing for the opposite party.
61.
61, my Lord. And I am ready to pay the deposit amount, but I have filed a OTS proposal that should be considered.
ସମସ୍ତେ ଯେତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ଯେତେ
No, my Lord, in a batch of cases, Your Lordship has
I
directed
am
them.
ready and willing to pay
My Lord.
ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ
No, my Lord, in the,
ପୃଥିବୀର ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ ମିଛ ଏଇ word ଟା।
this is a separate case, my
I
Lord.
am ready and willing to pay
Because, my Lord,
the biggest
my Lord.
what
In this case, my Lord, there is a batch of cases. In other cases, my Lord friend has taken instruction whether they are agreeable to for compromise or not. Similar batch of cases are there.
Today,
I'll solve copy to my learned friend.
copy
Yes, ma'am.
I don't
and
have the copy.
what
Yes,
is your name
Ipo Gochayat, ma'am.
Gochayat.
Along with the learned
Preparing for the
petition.
Union of India waves of notice notice ଯାଇନି କି ଦେଖୁ
Notice the opposite party two had already appeared.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
In the meantime, council has been changed, my Lord.
okay ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I will solve another
Notice on
copy.
behalf of the government of India Union of India
Right.
list the matter on 22nd 22nd
22nd March.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଫେବୃଆରୀ ସାର୍ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରାଅର୍ଡିନାରୀ ସିଚୁଏସନ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ କୁ ଯିବ ସବୁ ଫେବୃଆରୀ ରହିବ
My Lord.
ଯୋଉଟା ଯୋଉମାନେ ସିନସିୟର ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଏପ୍ରିଲ କୁଆଡେ ବି ଯାଇପାରେ
My Lord, 22nd.
those are sincere sir date
My Lord, I'll solve copy. Just now.
62.
62
Item 62, I am appearing for the opposite partner one, my Lord. I have requested my Lord and Senator to solve a copy of the impugned judgment and
Petitioner
order.
କିଏ ଆପଣ
Please, I have requested my Lord and Senator to solve a copy of the impugned judgment and order.
ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ next
Item 63.
In item 63, I am for the opposite party and I filed my counter.
62 ଟା କଣ ହେଲା
Tuta opposite party time limit.
Okay.
Date fixed.
date ଦେଇ ଦିଅ ସେଇ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 5th 5th ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ next
63.
63, I am for the opposite party. I filed my counter. This is a matter with regard to auction of a gold ornament.
oh
Stay is operating.
no.
In the last occasion also, he didn't turn up. Today
Didn't turn
also, he is not is absent.
Non appears on behalf of the petitioner on 19/1/2024 also nobody was appearing in the case and this court is of the view that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter accordingly dismiss for non-prosecution and any interim order operating against the opposite party shall vacate forthwith is vacated forthwith
Okay.
okay dispose of is dismissed next
Item 64.
64
64 on behalf of Mr. Kaushik Anand Guru. His mother is illness. I pray 1 week after.
64, my Lord, I am appealing for the opposite party. This is already in process, my Lord. Because that act is already amended, my Lord.
କଣ ଏଟା
The election of Senate, my Lord. Sambalpur University Senate, my Lord.
Senate
Senate.
Senate ଟା ଏଠି କାଇଁ ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ବୋଲିକିରି ମାନେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ସିନେଟ ଟା
That section 9 is omitted, my Lord.
ସିନେଟ ଟା ଏଠି ଆସିବ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆମର ଏଠି ଆସିବ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଆମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏନଜିଓ ମାନେ ସିନା ଅଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ୟୁନିୟନ ଏଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଆସିବ
University Senate.
ସିନେଟ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ୟୁନିୟନ ସିନେଟ ଇଜ
not.
you should go to the appropriate bench this is the matter before the appropriate bench goes to the bench yes I will appropriate bench next
Item 65.
65
I am for OP number 2, my Lord, State Pollution Control Board.
none appears for the petitioner at the time of call. The petitioner also didn't appear on 19/1/2024. It is the order. This is Muna Prida, no?
Okay.
It seems that the petition not issued proceed. Dismissed. Even if they were dismissed, even if vacated. If there is an increment, it will automatically.
Both the written.
Dismiss.
Detached.
How it should be the same. Next,
Item 66.
66.
May I pray for Lordship? Petitioners are two. One is the wife and another is the child.
I'm for opposite.
My lord.
Yeah, for the insurance.
By within a.
Okay, land concept of the insurance. 2 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter on
OP1.
28th February. Next.
28th February.
28th. 28th February.
Item 68.
68.
66.
60?
66 का चल
आपको LIC
67.
I'm
67 का
57.
first hour adjourn है ये. 14th.
You asked like 14th अछि. 14th this
14th February.
February. 14th February के देव February छुट्टी सरस्वती पूजा 15 कर दे 15
आगे.
Next
68.
68 has become infructuous.
68 influences land consumption नहीं है. File a memo. I think that matter interfaces. The memo handed over by the concept of the petitioner.
We are paying for the opposite parties. Hon'Ble enough.
अच्छा है दीपक कुमार अच्छा है.
Mr. PK Padi, man.
Huh?
Mr. PK Padi. Learned senior. His name.
तो तमे अच्छा कहीं मिस्टर पाड़ी ना लिखी मु हाँ on behalf of Mr. PK Padi मकरा भाई हाँ जा now senior might get angry with you. Okay, next. Publish.
Item 70.
70.
I had mentioned for 4 years. It has come up today. 69.
এটা 15th को adjourn है.
69. Arjun Kali. So you must copy the compile question. Notice पाएगी. I paid the entire.
से आसन तो नहीं है कौन करे?
आगे?
से नहीं है petitioner पर.
Last one municipality पढ़े. I am waiting for.
अरे Monday लग दे Monday. Tuesday लग दे. Tuesday लग दे. Next. Tuesday. सर जी वो क्या आने से रखे? Next.
Item 70.
For Lordship several times.
70.
Item 70, my lord. Grant of drug license rejected.
Grant of
Drug license rejected by the authority. Earlier, I came before this Hon'Ble Court. This one directed me to move an appellate authority. Accordingly, appellate authority rejected the application. Your lordship may kindly turn to Annexure 1, page 14. I have taken your lordship certain documents. Page 14, Annexure 1.
सर फास्ट मते कौन तो कौन है जी मते आगो नेक्स्ट देखेबे नहीं कौन कहि जी फर्स्ट
But appellate authority rejected my application.
Okay.
Saying that it has a shop is over the government land and NOC granted by the local NAC. Local authority granted, local bodies granted. And that is the reason why they have rejected. That is of 2019 reference. They have made a reference to 2019 notification.
Okay.
So my submission, what I would like to take your lordships, in the a person has having.
Sir, please don't talk inside, please. Yes.
My lord, a certificate was issued to a person in Nabarangpur under Odisha Land Rights to Slum Dwellers Act. On that certificate, my lord, he obtained a certificate, no objection certificate from the concerned authority. Thereafter, he let out this particular shop for his livelihood to the petitioner by entering into an agreement, my lord. Okay. Pursuant to the agreement, we made an application before the competent authority for operation of the medicine shop.
What is the problem in granting that license to you?
That problem, my lord.
What is that? 1, 2, 3 below.
Yes, page 55. That order.
Well,
let's say only they only say, my lord, they refer to a circular dated 19/9/2019, where it states that drug license shall not be issued over the government land.
So you are saying it is not a government land.
We are saying it is a government land. It is allotted to a particular person for a particular purpose. He constructed a house, my lord. Thereafter, let out the house to the petitioner. Petitioner entered into an agreement and thereafter apply for the
government land. The vice of government land is no more.
Every land is government land, my lord.
Not every land is government.
All, my lords. We are paying rent for that.
No, not necessarily. There is a pre-all, where is the question of government land? That is shown to you. If you go to the CDA land, that is government land, no doubt, because there is a free.
owner, who is the owner of the land, doesn't have the ROR in his name.
Oh.
It
Okay.
is a jungle piece of land.
Then.
No, no, my lord. Why I am saying, that's why I would like to take your lordship certain documents, my lord.
Okay.
For that purpose only.
Yes, please. I'm there only. 53. Asantu.
Page, my lord. You lordship, kindly turn to page. I have relevant page, my lord. Page, annexure 2, you lordship, for a moment. Annexure 2 and 3.
Page kontu.
Page 15.
15.
Page 15. But this is a certificate issued by the Tahsildar. Certified that a patch of land measuring such and such in favor of Dinesh Golder of village, the certificate is issued for the purpose of
Pramana patra pradan kara jibbo. Gala bole dele kini?
Annexure 1, Annexure 2. I am referring to Annexure 2. Page 15. Next page.
Certified that a patch of land measuring to an extent of acre of
such and such in favor of
khata number so Moja has been allotted in favor of Sri Dinesh Golder.
Golder.
Your name is Dinesh Golder.
He is.
Krishna Pada, son of Krishna Pada Golder of village also.
It is. No, I am not saying that. He is the owner. The certificate is
That's
issued.
what I'm saying.
Yes.
Asking you. This is basically Tahsildar Dala say Golder ku.
Golder ku dela. For the purpose of grant of driving drug license. Sorry, drug license.
Eight purpose drug for apana.
Next, Miller. Next Tahsildar. No objection certificate. It is issued in favor of the petitioner. Next, Annexure 3 series, page 16.
NOC to Tahsildar Dala.
Tahsildar NOC reach.
Thank you for calling.
As for that NOC as given by the Tahsildar, I have also filed the complaint. It is in contradiction of the notification.
Then what action you have taken against the Tahsildar? So our contradiction.
Find it out. That is separate issue. That is separate issue. But as per the, you will also kindly say B by 1 of my counter file opposite party number 1.
B by 1?
Yes.
That notification, circular.
No, that's circular, sorry.
Run. B by 1, yes. I want to say that is Golder.
Then B by 1 of the counter by OP number 1. Opposite party number 1.
Oh. Opposite party number 1 counter B by 1 put it.
Counter dated 17th January 2023.
Run. B pile.
Page 11.
Page 11, Annexure B by 1.
Inviting a reference to the subject mentioned above.
Clause 3.
No new drug license on government or departmental land, including Burla to be issued.
3 is relevant.
To be issued whether land settlement in favor of municipalities on the land schedule of applicant, including Burla to be included. Burla mane
1, 2 is not applicable.
What is Burla, sir?
It is circular. Burla area is but 3 is related.
Including Burla. Burla ko main lagai.
Land schedule of
They are referring
to be Burla.
Sir, Burla area. Oh, say area.
3 is relevant in this.
Lakhai ji English including Burla mane kono. Including the land area under Burla NSC kon likha including Burla. Yadi Burla mein hole kon no term de aila ho.
Clause 3 is important.
Clause
No
3.
new drug license to be issued on government land based on NOC given by or
that is important. Based on
NOC apanakar Tahsildar dala bhi habo jeta.
No, NOC given by municipality, NSC or urban local bodies. Tahsildar is not the local body. NOC is granted by the Tahsildar.
ଶୁଣ ତୁ NOC ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ତହସିଲଦାର ନାହିଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ NSC କି municipality ଦଉଥିବ.
No, it is the Tahsildar again. It is under Tahsildar.
Rural area.
It is under Tahsil. It is under Tahsil, so he has given the
government land to Tahsildar dala boli
this is issued on 19/11/2020.
See, rightly or wrongly, you have been allotted. You are going to start your this medicine shop.
Medicine shop.
In a that location is a government land.
No, why you have not? Because
somebody has take away
this has come to my knowledge later on, Milord, but 2020 Milord, 2020 Milord, I entered into an agreement basing on this.
Sir, you have to follow the principle. Principle is government land simple. As simple as that.
Next Milord, next is important. Government land based
land nahi, government land nahi. Government land,
yes.
बस है मान ले है
But NOC मेरा your lordship can see the
NOC किसी से माने नहीं NOC बोल
where NOC to be given by the municipality NOC and urban body.
जोटा अछि तांगर लाइसेंस रो जोटा अछि इश्यू करिवार
And this is in the year 2019 my lord, but prior much after that this is the certificate given. And I entered into an agreement going on paying the rent even if I don't have the driving license. Under impression that it will be granted in my favor.
But आपण से सेंती जगह रे काई आपण नौसले अलग
तो मु तो जानि नथिल ना.
केंदी जानिबे
I had no idea because
आपण drug business
circular dealer this is circular
आपण जानिबे कि से बिजनेस अछन से
well Tosler could have known better than me but why this is the NOC mirror.
But that गोटे भूल तहसीलदार कला रे
No, mu seta कोनी my lord. My humble submission before my lord is that basing on this certificate and NOC my lord, I continued and I entered into agreement going on paying rent.
So you are only paying rent without business?
No business is there, my lord. I am under the impression that it will now, my lord, this is by way of counter. They have given this 2019 circular.
Sir, एटा आपण जानिबा दरकार केंदी आपण से बिजनेस अछंती पर आपण बुझिबेनी सेही बिजनेस रे आपण
मो बिजनेस से
सेही बिजनेस रे जहा गाइडलाइन अछि आपण जानिबा पड़िबो
whatever requirement required under the guidelines
of law is not an
given and the checklist my lord I have annexed.
Ignorance of law is not an excuse. आपण जानिबेनी
Ignorance of law my lord by the authority by the competent
no in ignorance of the businessman भी जानिबा पड़िबो.
तहसीलदार when issued the
तहसीलदार करदला जदी भूल करदला से मिस्टेक टाको आकु बढ़ाबो कि मु पचाछि. If suppose one authority has committed a mistake and court finds that there is a mistake, can the mistake be again perpetuated? No. Next, तब मुझे यदि आपण allow करछि, I am violating this circular. Then.
Yes, my lord. But here NOC you also kindly see NOC given by municipality and NSC.
Sir, municipality NSC से छाड़ंतु से कथा. मो basic issue हला rightly or wrongly it is a government land.
And my lord, appellate authority finding is contrary itself, my lord. If you also see.
Appellate authority has also relied upon this circular.
Yes. After filing the appeal, he has relied upon.
Dismiss का ପାଇଁ कला एटा रिले करी करछि ना एटा को रिले करी करछि
नहीं तो प्रथम पारारे आगे लिखला जे आरओआर इशू हे
आज्ञा से छाडंतु से आरओआर आपण अल्टीमेटली आपनकर गेरा गवर्नमेंट लैंड ना नहीं एति की जानिबार जे आबा से
one thing had it been issued the आरओआर
आउ सर्किट
no the appellate finding of the appellate authority saying that since आरओआर not been issued तहसीलदार simply issued a NOC.
Sir, तहसीलदार might have issued wrongly, that doesn't mean that entitles you to run your business there, sir.
But I will accept this.
I love to allow you, but problem is this is stopping me.
But it is my livelihood.
Livelihood तो मैं सेति पे कहूँ बरे. I would love to help you in leading your good livelihood, but this is coming in the way.
As your lordship, I leave to your lordship. I don't have any other.
This circular is problematic. That's the only thing.
Circular, they could have come with the circular.
अच्छा गोटे काम करନ୍ତୁ आपण गोटे काम करନ୍ତୁ. So if the NOC was not, to not be granted to such kind of land, how could the Tahsildar granted NOC? I want instruction on
I'll take instruction.
the council with the state to take instruction as to whether if the land of the land on which the petitioner has land on which the proposed medical shop, proposed drug, proposed shop for
drug license.
Medicine was standing. Can it be allowed circuitously to the petitioner? Circuitously, CIR, and further, the council of the state to obtain instruction regarding it, how the Tahsildar of which Tahsildar?
Tahsildar, my lord,
Umar Court allowed issued the NOC to the petitioner, knowing very well that the land is a government land. You answer this question. Next. Now list the matter on.
In our counter, we have specifically.
Our counter specific answer nahi. It answer that.
My lord.
Kahin ki Della comment. He also has to face something.
That is the separate cause of action will arise, my lord. I am not denying your lordship.
तार पैसा लेके दे दीथिबो माल खाइले न तहसीलदार कथा कहउछथि सब चोर अछि बसी माय हैव टेकन अगेंस्ट द तहसीलदार भी कहले हला तहसीलदार को
71
May I please your lordship? Here I am for the petitioner challenging the award passed by the permanent continuous Lok Adalat under the Public Utility Act, my lord.
आपण का पाई?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
But I am
My
for the
lord,
opposite party.
Here, my lord, what has happened? They also admit that the hour passed by the Lok Adalat is correct, my lord. I have only one, my lord, grievance that the EMI, last EMI, I am supposed to pay the last EMI. Though he has not accepted.
अच्छा गोटे कथा मते कहले ए जो सो कॉल्ड परमानेंट लोक अदालत कॉन्सिलेटरी मीटिंग केते तर करथिला आपण संगे
3 to 4 times.
करथिला
And it was failed. We have participated, it was failed. And thereafter took the decision on merit.
So what is the,
and they found
what is the merit?
Merit, my lord, we are to pay, a petitioner is to pay the last EMI, admitted. My case is, I am read, I have given the check of the last EMI, but they did not encash it and did not issue the NOC. Therefore, I have written them that you accept the EMI, last EMI, and issue the NOC in respect of my vehicles. Instead of doing that, they have seized the my vehicle illegally.
Then you went to local.
Then I went to the.
What is the order passed?
Order passed. I have to pay 1,66,000 for EMI as the last EMI with 18% interest.
Okay.
But the what is the wrong committed by the Lok Adalat? During the pendency of the proceeding, I have paid last EMI for the 2 vehicles. It is also their admitted case. I have, pursuant to the order of the Lok Adalat, I have paid 2 EMI of 2 vehicles and got my vehicle released. So therefore, they have stated in their counter also, I am liable to pay 1,18,000 as the last EMI. That is to be corrected only, nothing else. Instead of 1,66,000, 1,18,000 I am to pay. And the interest portion I am not liable to pay because they have, for their fault, they have not withdrawn.
You are for the Hinduja?
No, I am for the petitioner, private.
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଭଳି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
No,
ଆମର ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଏ କଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗିଲା.
No, they have admitted, that is why I have placed.
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ବେଶୀ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା କମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ଆମେ ସେପାରେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହଉଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ହିନ୍ଦୁଜା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ନା ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ?
No, I am liable to pay last EMI for 4 vehicles instead of 6 vehicles. The Lok Adalat directed to pay last EMI for 6 vehicles. Only that is to be corrected. And the interest part is to be waived. I have purchased 6 vehicles. And the installment, in 35 installment, I have to repay the entire loan dues. Out of 35, I have paid clear 34 EMIs. Last EMI, which they have to deduct from my account, they have not deducted.
ଯେତେ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଗପିଲେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ରେ ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ରେ କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା ଚौड़ा
I am to pay
ସିଧା କଥା
EMI for 4 vehicles.
one line mentally compose କରନ୍ତୁ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ କଣ one line ରେ କହିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
For correction of the EMI, my lord.
Simple କଥା କେତେ ବୁଲଉଛନ୍ତି.
Correction of the EMI.
So this is only you want that there should be
correction in the EMI directed.
So 18% interest ରହିବନି ସେଟା. Just a minute. 18% ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳୁଛି, ଆପଣ କାହିଁ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
ନା 18% ମତେ ଦବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା, ସେଟା କରେକ୍ସନ, ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କ ଫଲ୍ଟ ଯୋଗୁ ମୁଁ EMI ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି, ସେ ଚେକ୍ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କଲେନି, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟଙ୍କା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ କାହିଁ 18%? Court found that they have committed mistake and they have not issued NOC. I have suffered for that and they have illegally seized my vehicle.
We comply the order. এই অর্ডারে কোন ভুল আছে?
খালি 1,66,000 বদলে 1,18,000 হবো। সে also they are also admitting.
আপনারা যে মানে EMI টা দেবে,
EMI টা last EMI.
Do you agree with that amount?
Let me keep this matter to after lunch. Senior sir.
সেটা তো করি আসি।
But after lunch just
my lord, मैं kindly see para 14
sir टिके से बुझंतु।
अच्छा
कौन है just like I can't unilateral I can pass on और से नेचुरल जस्टिस वायलेशन कर से कोर्ट रे नेचुरल जस्टिस किसी नहीं।
Keep this matter to after lunch. My senior will.
Okay. That is why you each senior
on Monday, my lord.
ना आज कर दो तो गला खत्म है Monday को मैं अरे किसी नहीं मैटर कर दो आपको next
72.
My lord, I am for the opposite party number 2.
Who is for the petitioner? You are for the petitioner.
I'm appearing for the petitioner insurance company, my lord. Your
Haan,
lordship, as per the noting, notice has not been sufficient on opposite part number 3 and 4. As per the noting, your lordship.
3 and 4 key.
3 is the banker and 4 is the repairing gauge of the vehicle, your lordship, which has been damaged.
You saw a fresh copy. 3 and 4. Press.
Your lordship, allow me 7 days time to file requisite. Again.
And that's the petitioner to take fresh state to serve the opinion number 3 and 4
Again.
by speed post. Or Baleswar speed post.
Again.
Speed post. March 6. March 6.
Hon'Ble. Your lordship, there is an interim order. Stay order is continued, my lord.
Okay, interim order to continue. Next.
Obliged, your lordship.
Next.
Item 74.
74.
74 on behalf of Mr. Tuna South, Passover.
Okay,
He
Passover.
has requested.
Kौन को लगा दिले?
He has gone to DAT. He has told me.
After lunch. Next.
Item
Passover,
76.
76, I have appeared yesterday for the OP number 1. I want 3 weeks time to file the counter.
OP number 1.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner नाम की non-appeals for the petitioner. And transfer the OP number 1, 6, 3 weeks time to file the counter list the matter on March 14. Next. March 14.
Obliged.
Next.
77.
27. Compensation में. ये ना देखो
Last time time
non-appeals for the petition. This is matter on 12 March. Next.
Item 78.
78.
Petitioner, I have challenged the order passed by the
Orissa Human Rights Commission.
Seটা কোন recover award গোটে patient 1 patient died.
This is a medical negligence case.
Medical.
कौन है जी?
সেটা গোটে patient ছিল died. She died and I was the emergency doctor.
Okay.
Posted there and she was being looked after by the gynec specialist and the nurse.
How she done? How your role is there?
My role is there. I have her relatives gave a call in the night call. I went and saw her and I have advised prescribed medicine for that. And thereafter I have prescribed that transfusion of blood may be done. Thereafter she died. And the gynec specialist, I called the gynec specialist. He came. He checked the after checkup made, and after that, in his presence, the patient died. He made commission made liable to both the doctors and apportioned the amount to the awarded.
So you are saying operation successful, patient died. That is everything was done fine, but she died. Our allegation कौन आज?
Allegation mu challenge करती that single member cannot pass the order. He's
Which
not
order?
the improved order that
Single member means the Orissa Human Rights Commission.
Order, yes, my lord. The order dated 18 to 2002.
कौन लिखा है जी से कौन पास कर परियोनी?
Because
कोड लिखा है जी पास कर परियोनी.
pass କରିପାରିବେ but it is not
କହିଲେ ଆପଣ କରିପାରିବେନି ବୋଲି
ସେଟା that I am submitting.
Please.
Last order dated 18 to 2002.
ଆପଣ ସେ provision ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ.
Definition ଦେଖିବେ to see commission means National Human Rights Commission constituted under section 3. That is also applicable to state. The Constitution of National Human Rights Commission, Central Government section 3. Government shall constitute a body to be known as National Human Rights Commission to exercise the power conferred upon and to perform the functions agencies act on. Commission shall consist of a chairman, a member, a chairman who is Chief Justice Supreme Court of India, Supreme Court, one member who has been judge of Supreme Court, member who is Chief Justice of High Court, 2 members. So commission consists of number of members. One member is not the commission. And section 21, that is the Constitution of State Human Rights Commission. That state government may constitute a body to be known as the name of the state, Human Rights Commission, to exercise the power conferred upon to perform.
So you are saying the commission mean is the all the
All
members should sit there. That is what you are saying?
Right.
You have a point. So, what is the government saying? There is a valid point. Commission mean not one man. Should be
separate council.
They have a different council.
Who is for the state remote council?
I think Mr. Ramani Ranjan Mohanty was has already entered appearance in this case.
आसु नांदी ना कौन फायदा काउंसिल आइले सिना कौन एटा को परदिन रखि ये ट्यूसडे रखछि लेट हिम कम ऑन ट्यूसडे फ्राइडे ट्यूसडे आसु ट्यूसडे आसु सर फ्राइडे
Other assistant out here,
टिके आसी आधा घंटा मु दुईटा रखि देछि हला अपन जिबे आसु पड़ी
normally
दुईटा आसु दुईटा आसु ना कि give a good note on that commission पूरा भलो रिसर्च करके देबे नोट सेटा बाहर किछि भलो नोट ते देबे सर सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट भी अछि कमिशन पूरा देबे भलो रिसर्च करके कहबे
for that reason अजय टिके शुक्रवार को फ्राइडे को रखो
ताले मु गुटे काम करछि let it come on 21st February
my lord by that time I'll prepare
good research on this commission.
Yes.
Commission can't be one man.
Yes.
It has to, otherwise, commission what is itself is a plural. It's not a.
No, as per act I'm saying.
No. Otherwise, committee commission is a plural word. Yes. It can't be one man. Who is the one man commission? That's actually commission can't be one man. It has to be more than one. Always. That's give a note on that.
I'll calling it at 21st man.
Huh?
21st calling it.
Yeah, 21st.
Madam.
Next.
79.
79. 79.
I pray for 2 weeks. 2 weeks after.
2 weeks after. Oh, 2 weeks after. 28 February. 80.
Item 80.
80. Non-appears.
My lord, for 80, I'm opposite number 2, opposite party, my lord. I'm the virtual board, my lord.
Opposite party the main party the na hai opposite party kaun kariye
My lord, last time भी say आइतला, my lord.
say aitla
Non-appears.
non-appears okay non-appears on behalf of the petitioner on 29 1 2024 also non-appears it's in the petition order interest proceed matter
It's on behalf of Shikhar Kumar Rathore, my lord. I Akash Chaudhary on behalf of Shikhar Kumar.
okay this is Shikhar Kumar. Next
81.
81
Lordship 81.
non-appears
81 Lordship.
petitioner
Opposite party.
so is the petitioner non-appears for the petitioner सबगुड़ा कहीं appear करना दी जेबे लगी थी कभी appear करना दी है dismissal non-appears for the petitioner या पर तो लगे नहीं ना direct लगे लाये पर non-appears अगर भी इधर सिंपल पर लगे नहीं होगा अगर डेट दे दिया 5th non-appears for the petitioner list the matter on 6th next
Item 83.
83 where is Jafarullah he is not there non-appears for the petitioner His last chance the petitioner is granted one at time this matter on 7th February
84.
84
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Gopal Krishna Behera, he is ill. Kind pray for 3 weeks time.
State Cooperative Bank Council की नादी okay list the matter on 2nd April next
Published.
Item 85.
85 respondent who is for the petitioner नादी की non-appears List the matter 7th. Next,
Item number 86.
86.
86, lordship permitted to withdraw.
Okay, 86 wanted to withdraw. এটা দিয়ে দিবি ওটা memo. 87.
87.
87. Adi. দেখো পাঁচ non appears. 7th. 7th लगे जाओ 8th लगे जाओ. Next,
Item 88.
88.
I am for the opposite party.
Opposite party, who is for the petition? Regular order. Okay, 7th February, non-appears for the petition. Okay. 80.
89.
89.
I am for the opposite party, lordship.
Lordship, 89, the conducting counsel, Mr. Pradhan, expired, Lordship. So we are instructed to appear in this case. We will file the press booklet. Lordship. Kindly pray for time, Lordship.
Consider for the petition, submit that.
2013 check bounce case, lordship.
What is your name?
Akash Bhuya.
Akash?
Bhuya.
Akash Bhuya, who wants to appear in the matter. And he filing the Okalagama within a week. Within a week. Just the matter on 29th February.
29th, Lordship.
February.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next.
Item 90.
90. Name of Mr.
Lordship, item number 90, Lordship. Item number 90.
90?
Kindly, Lordship, pass over, Lordship.
90.
90,
Okay,
Lordship.
pass.
Obliged.
91.
91.
And for opposite party.
Petitioner Kodagale.
Last occasion also no one up.
Non appears.
Lordship.
Non appears on the last on 29/1 of 2024 also. Next.
Lordship, large one.
Adjourn and dismiss. Next.
92.
92.
92, I am for the petitioner. Lord, I shall prepare a short note. Your Lordship kindly grant 1 week time.
Okay, 1 week time granted to the petitioner to file a short note. List the matter on 20th February. Next.
93.
93. 93. None.
I will pardon my lord, item 81. Item 81, my lord.
93 पड़ेगा ना अपने 81 रे कितने बड़े पड़े अच्छे मुझे
My lord, item 81 petitioner expired, my lord.
तो अब ये LR फाइल करो तू
Yes, my lord. Lordship will adjourn to some other date, my lord.
अपन को एडजन है 6 फरवरी को इन द मीन टाइम फाइल करो तू
6 February is the Kuyal Guru, sir, tactical matter, sir. That was belongs to tactical, my lord.
27 मार्च देवी तो 27 मार्च
Your Lordship is always that you approach 24 March, my lord, in between 27.
Oh, 20th February.
Always, my lord. I will oblige, my lord.
20th February ले दे
Item 93.
and I will get to the okay, non appears. List matter on 8th February. Next.
94.
94.
94, lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner. Lordship, last of all, your lordship directed to file a short note.
ଆପଣ ଇନକମ୍ କେତେ କହିଥିଲି ଜଣେ
Lordship,
what is your income tax return file କୋଉଠି ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଇନକମ୍ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କେତେ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତି
Lordship, I am pressing for that, let the opposite parties uh, uh, income certificate be filed, the income 10,74,000.
Yeah, for the girl.
No, my lord,
Lordship.
here is a NI Act, my lord.
NI Act 138.
He has-
Oh, sorry, sorry.
He has challenged, my lord, the order
Lordship.
passed by the learned appellate
Oh, sorry.
court under section 391 of
91,
CRPC, my lord,
yes.
for adducing evidence at the stage of appeal, my lord. His prayer was rejected. He is appealing for the accused, my lord. The check amount is 12,50,000, my lord, and it was issued in the year 2011-12, my lord.
ସେ ବର୍ଷଟା ପୁଣି ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦିଆହବ?
So appellate stage, they have filed an application for the London appellate court saying that, my lord, I want to adduce evidence whether the complainant, my lord, has shown the particular amount in the income tax or not, my lord. That has been rejected in the due diligence has not been taken care during trial, my lord. That was also decision of the Honorable Apex Court, my lord. That is why your lordship has directed me also to prepare a note and give the citations. I have prepared a note and give all the citations.
Next.
Item 95.
95?
Yes. Yes, I don't mention item 83, no
Sir,
instruction.
ମଝିରେ ଆପଣ କହି ପଶିବେନି ସେମିତି. 83?
83 no instruction.
ମୁଁ ସେମିତି dismiss କରିଦେଇଛି.
No.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, dismiss କରିଦେଇଛି. No exception, dismiss for non-prosecution.
95.
95.
Item I-95, I sought for adjournment because I am to take instruction from the client.
କେତେ
I
adjournment
made-
ନେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା? କିଛି ତ ଗୋଟେ
ନାଇଁ,
କରନ୍ତୁ, କେହି ଯାହାକୁ ଦରକାର adjournment.
Matter relates to 130 10 Act, my lord.
ଯାହା
Against
ହେଇଛୁ,
the
argue ତ କରିବେ.
grant of
କେତେ adjournment ନଉଛି?
the notice was issued, so the other side also not appeared well.
Okay, no, let the other side.
Let's keep it next week any day
Keep
or
it
a week
March,
after.
March, और next week नहीं. सीधा 14-15 मार्च के उड़े दीजिए.
As you
15
lord.
मार्च. Next.
97.
97. मैटर सुनिबेनी.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଜି ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୋର ଖାଲି ସେ ବାହାରୁ ଆସିବ ଡେରି ହେଇଗଲା 8-2 କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 8-2 କରିଛନ୍ତି ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ବି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
आज ये कौन पास कलानी है. चलो ठीक है. जो डेटा नेक्स्ट
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Item 100.
Maybe exception है. Only the create to make a mention. Item 73.
76.
I'm sorry that I couldn't reach in time because of my.
क्या दे डेट?
कितने item? Item 76.
76. 14-3.
14 March. 14 March.
May I pay to take it at tomorrow, today itself?
Today होगा.
Monday?
Tuesday.
Sir, ସେତେବେଳେ opposite party ଥିଲେ ତ ଇଏ ନଥିଲେ.
ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ଥିଲେ. ଆମେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇକି କରିଥିଲେ. Next.
Tuesday, sir.
Tuesday.
On 6th million. 6th million.
Yes, 6th.
2 p.m. matter, item 100.
My lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord. This matter may be urgent to next week, man.
100.
Yes, my lord.
से 2 PM ला था वो
2020 ର मैटर
Sir, देवा है, so much.
ସଦେବ କେତେ
बस
ଗଡୁ
रुपया ଟିକେ ବଢି ଯାଇଥାଏ, I'm not
ଛୁଟିଆ
taking
ଆଇସୁରେ ଗଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି. 12 February.
it. Oblige.
2 PM है लॉर्डशिप.
2 p.m. ठीक है.
Oblige.
Passed over matter, item 15.
15. What is that?
ଏଥିରେ status ପାଇଁ ରଖିଥିଲି 125 against I have filed this case.
Sorry?
125 CRPC I have filed this case. But in the meantime, what I have heard, divorce suit met 136 of 2015 has already been disposed of. On 24/9/2000, a permanent alimony of 6 lakhs has already been received. But others, I don't. Therefore,
sorry.
Therefore, I don't want to press this case.
You want to consult the petitioner doesn't want to press the case. Yes. Next.
Item number 40.
40.
My lord, may I please, lords. Last occasion, lordship directed to file a IA for impede the victim as OP number 2.
You file it.
My lord.
Okay. The I number so and so. Like number. It's been filed by the petitioner to include the
Number.
number any.
No, sir, Kali asi kola to kori.
Number
Kali ale puno aji to aasi par na thanda na. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରି
number ନହେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ?
ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କରିଦେବି ନହେଲେ
କେମିତି ନା ଆମେ କରିଦେବୁ କେମିତି ହୁଏନି ନମ୍ବର ସିଟ୍ କରିକି ଆଣିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆମେ ନମ୍ବର କରିବୁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲଗାଇବୁ
ମେ ପ୍ରେ ୱାନ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଟ୍ ଦ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫିଲ୍ମିଂ ଦ ଚାର୍ଜ ରେଜ୍ କରିବ ନହେଲେ ସବୁ ମାନେ କାଲି ଆସିଲା ବଡ଼ କଷ୍ଟରେ
If your lordship will remember, the petitioner is claiming the informant as his wife.
I know that's why I wanted to make party na.
My lord.
That's the reason why I made
ବାହାଘର ହେଇଛି ସେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବାପା ବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କରିଛି ବେସିଂ ଅନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ 498 ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ହାଜ ବିନ୍ ସବମିଟେଡ୍ ବାଇ ଦ ପୁଲିସ ଓନ୍ଲି 498
ଆସୁ ସାର୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେଉ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର 6th ରେ ଆସୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବରିଂ କରିଦେବ
6th ରେ ବି
purpose of issuing notice
6th ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
only for the purpose of issuing notice
my lord 6th ରେ ଆସିଲେ ପୁଣି ଆଜି ଫାଇଲ୍ କଲେ ବି 6th ରେ ଟ୍ୟାଗ ହେଇପାରିବନି ଆଉ 2 ଦିନ ସମୟ 9 ତାରିଖ 8 ତାରିଖ ଆସୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କାରଣ ଟ୍ୟାଗ ହେଇପାରିବନି
ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି
Item 44.
ଆମକୁ ଟାଇମ ଦରକାର ପଡେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମାନେ ସ୍କାନ ବି କରନ୍ତି ନା
that is the reason I am submitting yes that is the reason I am submitting it will take some time
3-4 ଦିନ ଆଗରୁ କଲେ ସୁବିଧା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ କାଲି ଆସିବା ଫିଲ୍ଡ କଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିନି ସେଥିପାଇଁ
May I please, your lordship, ma'am? Here, my lord, the petition.
Item 44.
44 yes
Here, my lord, the petitioner challenged the order of granting maintenance to the opposite party number 1 and 2, my lord, under annexure 2, as his opposite party number 1 is the wife and opposite party number 2 is his son, my lord. I have challenged this order sole on the ground that the petitioner number 1, my lord, by suppressing the material fact that she is working as a
who are you? You are for the petitioner.
my lord, I am the husband.
You are the petitioner, na?
Yes, my lord.
Who is suppressing?
Opposite party number 1 wife. Wife, my lord. That she is working as a Jogan Soyak. I have stated also, I have annexed the annexure 1 at page, your lordship can glass to page 14, my lord.
ଯୋଗାଣ ସହାୟକ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ମିଳେ କି 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଉଥିବ
Not 10,000.
10,000
10,000. As per my instruction.
ତ ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି
I am working as a teacher, my lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଲାରୀ କେତେ
30,000.
30,000 କୋଉ ସ୍କୁଲରେ କରନ୍ତି
Primary school teacher.
ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ପାଉଥିବେ
ନାଇଁ ଅଛି ଅଛି
ସିଟି ଟିଚର
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଅଛି
ସିଟି ଟିଚର
my lord
hau so why do you want to I mean this challenging what
challenging my lord that suppressing that fact my lord she is working as a Jogan Soyak. She has given evidence that I am a housewife. I have no source of income.
you have children also
Children is staying with her, my lord.
with her
With the opposite party number 1.
with the wife
Wife, my lord. So I am not disputing regarding maintenance of opposite party number 2. I have also.
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ 30,000 ପାଉଛନ୍ତି 5,000 ଦେଲେ କଣଟା ଆପଣ ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଆପଣ ତ ୱାଇଫ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ହିଜ ୱାଇଫ ନା
ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉ ସେ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ କି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଯୋଗାଣ ସହାୟକ ରେ ସର୍ଭିସ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଏତିକି
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଉଛି ଯୋଗାଣ ସେବା ଜଣେ
10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଉଛି
ଆପଣ 10,000 ପାଇଲେ ଆପଣ
ସେ କାହିଁ କରୁଛେ that point only my lord my submission is that my lord and another thing another thing my lord my submission is that my lord now she is staying separately so if your lordship will notice that if there is a chance of reunion so in the before this honorable court in the counseling center my lord
ठीक है that I can say don't consider the petitioner is directed to
press case
let notice go then don't let notice go to the opposite party because it is 5 hours next one today this the matter on 28th February asu dekha
in the meantime I pay for stay of operation of order
stay of operation
that miss case I filed man
stay of operation delay kete achi
delay my calculation is 89 days.
224 days.
224 days.
224. Judgment date your lordship kindly clear.
Judgment date la 224.
Judgment होची 24 मार्च 2023 तापर 3 मास तो रहिबो रिवीजन पीरियड 90 days.
Judgment 3 मास ले केते हो?
90 judgment to 90 days.
Judgment 90 days केते को मास हो?
जून ही जाउची.
हां
जून
ऑर्डर केबे हितला?
24 मार्च
24 मार्च
2023.
जून हला जून ए जाय के फाइल केबे कले हम?
फाइल काली करछि.
हां
काली करछि.
हां हबनी लिसन
हे जो
अब मास कैलकुलेट करिवेनी ଆପଣ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ କାଲକୁଲେଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ କରିବେ ସେମାନେ ଭୁଲ କରିବେନି ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ତାଙ୍କ କାମ ସେଟା କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ଭୁଲ ବାଇଚାନ୍ସ ହେଇଯାଏ ବଟ୍ ଡିଲେ କରିନ ଡିଲେ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଲି ରେୟାରଲି 8 ବର୍ଷ 5 ବର୍ଷ 7 ବର୍ଷ କଲେ
ଏକ୍ସପାର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ବି ଥିଲା. Obligation.
Pay for the proceedings into the matter of till enacted.
Obligation.
Matter on 13th March.
Obligation.
Next.
Registered post mailer.
By register. Matrimonial registered post କରିବାଟା ଭଲ. Matrimonial ଗୋଟା registered post କରିବାଟା ଭଲ.
Speed post rural area remote area speed post
କୁଆଡେ କୋଉ ଗାଁରେ ଥିବ ସେ ସୁବିଧା ହୁଏନି. Next.
Item 71.
71. Yes, logistic company.
Only correction of EMI.
EMI.
Quote awarded for 6 vehicles, it should be 4 vehicles. They have also admitted in para 14 of the counter. And they admit that the last line, my lord.
Next, sir.
There are 1 EMI outstanding each in 4 accounts totaling to page 7 of the counter affidavit, para 14, 1,18,718. Last line of para 14, my lord, page 7.
Page 7.
My lord. However, after closure of one account and clearance of EMI overdue in one more account, there are 1 EMI outstanding each in 4 accounts, totaling to 1,18,718. But the quote below has directed 1,66,000, which is for 6 vehicles, not 4 vehicles. So that is to be corrected only. Number, so far as the 18% interest is concerned, but it is for their fault. They have admitted that, my lord, I have been paying through checks, my lord, and the checks were submitted to with them. They were supposed to deduct it by encashing the check of the 35th installment. They have not done so, and rather it has been directed for 18%. So I am not liable to pay any interest, my lord. Dispute or not agreed by the award passed by the court below. Para 15, page 8, my lord. Therefore, there is no illegality committed by the learned Lok Adalat for which the impugned order requires no interference, my lord. Only the 4
petitioner is the proprietorship concern carrying a logistic business within the state of Orissa, having its office at Cuttack. So,
সেটা তো আমরা চ্যালেঞ্জ করলাম না। You are satisfied with 18% interest?
At the time of purchase the vehicle, and sanction of loan. The respondent has executed 6 number of separate agreements with the applicant and as such the EMI of 6 vehicles are fixed up for rupees fixed at rupees 1,40,475. So this is the amount 1,40,475. 40,475.
No, my lord, I am liable to pay 1,18,718.
Which are to be paid from
My lord,
5/3 to 7/14.
It is admitted that there is an outstanding of 1,18,718. Besides that, there are other charges of totaling to 28
That
lakhs
has been rejected.
34,170.
कौन change करेगा चाहते
My lord, your lordship may kindly say.
I'm still I'm confused. ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର କଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବାକୁ
ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ କରିଛି 6ଟା ଭେହିକିଲ 6ଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆପଣ କହିବା 4ଟା ଭେହିକିଲ
ହଁ,
ନା
4ଟା
ଦିଟା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା
ଆଉ 2ଟା ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବା ସେମାନେ ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି
ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ବା
କଣ ଲାଗି ପଢନ୍ତୁ
para 14 after closure of one account and clearance of EMI overdue in one more account there are one EMI outstanding each in 4 accounts amounting to rupees 1,18,718.
Okay.
So the court कौन है ना भूल ले कर देई चंदी 1,66,000 6टा vehicle
the loan configuration
Against the total outstanding of approx 20.
The petitioner moved before the permanent local adalat for public utility services grievance during pendency of the dispute case before local adalat. The vehicle bearing OD 05 G 0328 and OD 05 G 0327 and OD 05 F 9238 were repossessed. However, the petitioner closed the account with a number ORBU CU 00398 in respect of vehicle bearing number OD5 G 0327 and got the vehicle released in his favor. Similarly, the petitioner paid the outstanding overdue in loan account number ORBU CU 00403 in respect of the vehicle bearing OD 05 F 9238 and the opposite party financer has released the vehicle in the custody of the petitioner. This fact has been suppressed by the petitioner in the present petition. However, after closure of one account and clearance of EMI overdue in one more account, there are EMI outstanding each in 4 accounts totaling 1,18,718. Besides, there are late penalty charges.
My lord, that has been rejected. That has not been granted by the in the award. My lord, may kindly see the award annexure 11. Only 18% was granted.
Page?
My lord, I'm coming to the page. Page 83. Page 83. The petitioner shall pay 1,66,925 along with 18% interest from the date it fell due till actual payment.
Okay.
So that is not I am liable to pay. So now they are saying that you are liable to pay 28 lakhs. That has been rejected. And they say that the order passed by the local adalat is correct.
They say.
They say in the counter affidavit.
Okay.
They have not challenged.
Against the total outstanding of rupees 29 lakhs approx.
Why you have not challenged? You should have challenged. He is challenging, but you have not challenged. In fact, you should have felt aggrieved. Different. आप किस मिट्टी में बने हो भाई? और आपका कंपनी क्लाइंट है. He should have come actually. He has come having all the benefits.
He has paid close 2 numbers of account and
so learned counsel with petitioner further submit that the observation of the permanent local adalat that with respect to the closure of the loan account on receipt of 1,66,925 is erroneous.
Erroneous.
And the
Correct amount is
and the correct amount is 1,18,000.
1,18,000.
18,475.
Right.
475. ଏତିକି ତ?
1,18,718.
780.
Right. So that is
And-
to be correct.
He further submits that since the penalty and other part of the account has been waived by the Permanent Lok Adalat, the petitioner the amount of rupees 1 lakh 1,18,000
18,718
is the amount payable.
payable.
By setting up
On payment of same, the vehicle, one vehicle may be released and NOC may be.
and on payment of the same, the vehicle should be released and the NOC be issued in favor of the petition. ଏତିକି ତ? ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ କିଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
Madam, there is a other charges are there.
କେତେ charges
This is not
କମ?
clear.
ଯା।
You have not.
Charges କିଛି ନାହିଁ. But I will modify this.
Problem.
2,000 5,000 ପାଇଁ କାନ୍ଦିବ ଆଉ କେସ୍ ଲଢୁଥିବ ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ଯେତିକି ଲସ୍ କରିବ ସେତିକି।
But interest should be charged. Interest should be
କିଛି
charged.
ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲା ସବୁରୁ except ସେ amount ସବୁ same. I am not interfering. ଲେଖିଦିଅ। Except this part of the order, this court doesn't interfere
With any other.
part of the order passed by the 11th court.
Enter exercise be completed within 2 weeks.
The entire exercise be completed within
2 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
From today, ma'am.
From the date of presentation of the order.
Obliged.
ଦେବେ
Obliged.
ସବୁ item same same ହବ।
Obliged.
ସବୁ item କଣ?
My lord, sub item, so far as the sub item is concerned, my lord, it is here they have not filed the counter. They have illegally seized my vehicle. No notice was given. Only one EMI is due.
Different matter.
Different matter.
Let notice be issued.
My lord. Notice already they are
Let
appearing.
them file the reply.
My lord, then let them file reply. That may be fixed.
Opposite party is required to file the reply.
My lord, that may be fixed.
Within 2 weeks, list the matter on March 6th March.
My lord, obliged.
Next.
Item 74.
74.
Item. In this matter, our bank's role is very limited, but a role with the insurance company, my lord, they are not coming.
Sorry.
My lord, last occasion to get some amount from the insurance company. That is the prime Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. But bank is only a facilitator.
So
only
insurance company has to, this is a group insurance basically.
The United Insurance Company.
They are not
Last
coming.
occasion also further notice has been filed.
ନାହିଁ ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ?
ସେ ୱକାଲତନାମା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ appear ହଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
କିଏ କରିଛି?
କଣ ନାଁଟା ଆମର ମନେ ନାହିଁ।
Mr. P.K. Mahanti.
ପିକେ ମହାନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ଜାଣିବ କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର ପିକେ ମହାନ୍ତି ବାହାରିବେ ଏଠି। ପ୍ରମୋଦ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ କେତେ ପିକେ
Enrollment
କେତେ ସବୁ।
number ଟା ଥିବ।
Prakash Kumar Mahanti.
ପୁରା ନାଁ କହିବେ ନା ପିକେ ମହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ? ପ୍ରକାଶ କୁମାର ମହାନ୍ତି।
First date itself file ୱକାଲତନାମା।
ପ୍ରକାଶ କୁମାର ମହାନ୍ତି, Mr. Counsel for the କଣ ପାଇଁ କାହା ପାଇଁ?
United Insurance, 2 and 3.
Is directed to be present on the next date of listing. List the matter on 22nd.
My presence on behalf of Union.
We are only present, sir. We are present. We always. Next.
Item 90.
चलो 90 पे आ जाओ. Yes.
Say revision where assessing the legality of the conviction and sentence, including compensation filed in a case of 138 Act, which was also confirmed in a court of appellate court. The check amount is 11,400. Sorry, yes, 11,400, and it has been that the court has directed to pay compensation of 15,000.
Opposite party, apna?
Yes, ma'am. So, in view of the compensation, may pay if my subject to accept as because it's a comparable offense, and the amount has been also set to 15,000. If you want to quote direct, I can materialize.
judgment since 2016. Now it has been carried to 2025. Lordship will decide. I have no objection.
No, what is your reaction to his offer?
Offer there is judgment was 15,000 in 2016. Now it is 24. He has taken 11,400.
The interest
And both were saying to be the friends. Somehow it has carried to this
anyways,
phase.
how it
Right.
138 okay friend.
ଥିଲେ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି that is the case.
138 friend.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯାହା ବି ହେଲା up to this
ଆଚ୍ଛା
stage.
କେତେ amount interest କେତେ ହବ? 11,000 interest କେତେ ହବ? କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି?
7 2007.
2007.
7.
ଯେ order ଦେଖି.
Order ହଉଛି 2016. 15,000.
8 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି। 7 ବର୍ଷ plus।
7 ବର୍ଷ।
କେତେ ହବ? Calculate କର କେତେ ହବ? ସେଠି ପକେଇବ।
ଅପରଚୁନିଟି ହିସାବରେ ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ 1500 900 ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ 1500 914 5000 ହେଲା 5000।
ଦେଖିଲ
20,000 ହବ କେତେ?
8 ବର୍ଷ 11,000 କେତେ ହବ?
11,000 ନାହିଁ 11,000 କମ ହବ।
15,000 ଉପରେ ହବ।
Compound କାଇଁ କରିବ?
Simple.
So
Make it 20,000 then
20,000 ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗ ତ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 20,000 ହେଲା ଆଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସାଙ୍ଗ ତାପରେ ଫିଲ୍ମ ଯିବେ ଗାଡିଆ ବନ୍ଧ ସୋଡ ବୁଲିବେ
କୋଉଠି ବୁଲିବେ?
regard the concept of the parties. This court will view that since the additional system that internal has awarded sentence to undergo 6 months and to pay rupees 15,000 to the complainant, which appears to be reasonable and it's no interference and reasonable. Hence, this court aggrieved by such order, the petitioner has approved this court. The concept of the parties. This court will review that. Since the matter, the order was pertaining to the year 2000.
It's my letter, the first order.
16. And today, this matter has been reached. Today it is 2024. And let the petitioner pay rupees 20,000 as towards the compensation. Towards the compensation, and the matter be all the cases. And according to the let the criminal revision dispose of. ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି ତାପରେ
ସେଟା ସେଟ କନଭିକ୍ସନ ପାର୍ଟ ରହିଗଲା ମାଇଲଡ ମେ ସେ
କନଭିକ୍ସନ
ସେଟା ସାଇଡ କରିକି କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଟାକୁ ମାଇଲଡ ଇନକ୍ରିଜ
compensation the sentence you can do the order passed by the planet additional session with Dhankana. They set aside.
Now we upheld that compensation part, extending it to 20,000.
I have modified like I upheld modified to
particular date ta fix kar do kebe daba
yes obviously
within 4 weeks from the date of order,
and the said amount shall be paid within 4 weeks from today.
Right.
Otherwise
failing with the petitioner the opposite party is granted liberty to approve this court by way of and litigation. Next
Item 97.
Next.
The opposite but no one.
97 रे agricultural insurance कौन है टोरे?
Huh? In this matter, my lord, this has been issued to the Bank of India, Baroda branch, that is district Kolahandi.
Bank of India, Baroda.
I have received the instruction. What is the?
Senior advocate, Mr. Associate of Senior Mr. Excess Rao, took time, but it will be fixed.
आज ना दी
ना ଆସିଥିଲେ 13 ତାରିଖ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ସେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟା ସେ ଦେଲେ ବୋଧେ ନା ଦେଇନା
ओ
13 ରେ ଇନ୍ସ୍ୟୁରାନ୍ସ
13 ରେ ଆସୁ ତାହେଲେ 13 ରେ ଆସୁ ठीक है
Item 98.
98
May I please, your lordship? I'm for the petition, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship directed me to file a short written note of submission. Yeah.
Yes, I am the opposite partner. I am the opposite partner.
Yes, the
ଆପଣ
case.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବି ନୋଟ ଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍
Sir, ମୁଁ already I have filed the counter affidavit only.
ତ ନୋଟ ଟେ ଦେଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
Yes, madam, the case of the.
ସାର୍ ନୋଟ ଯେତେ ବନେଇବେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେତେ ଦଖଲ ରହିବ ଆଉ ଯେତେ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ବୁଲି ବୁଲି ଆସିବେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କୁଣ୍ଡେଇବେ କିଛି ହେବ ନାହିଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିବେ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିବେ ଆଗ ପଛ ମେହନତ ଟିକେ କରିବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ନୋଟ ମୁଁ ମାଗେ ନୋଟ ଦେଲେ ନୋଟ ଆପଣ ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିପାରିବିନି
The note that
ନୋଟ ତାକୁ ଆକୁନି ଆପଣ ବି ଦେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଯାଉଛି
we have no needs of notes.
ହଁ
We are the insurance claimant.
ତ
We
କଣ
purchase-
ଆପଣ କରିବେ ନୋଟ ଦେବାର କଣ ମନା ଅଛି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କାମ ଦେଲେ କଣ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଲୋନ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନୋଟ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମାଗେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ଫାଇଲ ମାନେ ପଢିକି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଠି ମୁଣ୍ଡ କୁଣ୍ଡଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନୋଟ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି and this thing will continue in all matters matrimonial हो ଯାହା ବି ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ ସର୍ଟକଟ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଇଏ ଟାଇପ କରି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଗୋଲ ଗୋଲ ଅକ୍ଷର ଲେଖିଦେବେ I can read it ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସେଟାକୁ ଟାଇପ ମୁଁ ଏଠି କରିଦେବି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଟାଇପ କରିଦେବି ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଟାଇପ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ ଇଏ ଦେଖେଇଦେଲେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ ବଢିଆ ଟାଇପିଂ ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫୋନରେ ଅଛି ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଆପଣ ନୋଟକୁ ବି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କାଢି ପାରିବେ ଫୋନରେ ହେଇଯିବ ସବୁ ଟାଇପ ହେଇଯିବ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ବି ଲାଗିବନି 30 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ ଲେଖିବେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାକୁ ସେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ ସବୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ହେଇଯିବ ମାନେ ବଢିଆ ଟାଇପ ହେଇଯିବ ସବୁ ସୁବିଧା ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ନେବେ ନା ଆଉ ଓକେ
Yes, madam, the case of the complainant is that she is the owner of a Maruti Suzuki car.
Maruti Suzuki କୋଉ ମଡେଲ
No, that is not in dispute, madam.
Maruti Suzuki car Maruti Suzuki company
No, Maruti Suzuki car.
is not a car Maruti Suzuki company Maruti Suzuki company କେତେ କହିବି
They are complaint ର ଯାହା
ଆପଣ ମଡେଲ ଟା କହିବେ ନା କାର ବୋଲେ କୋଉ ମଡେଲ ଖାଲି Maruti Suzuki car
ସେ ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନ ରୁ ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Maruti Suzuki ର କୋଉ K20 ବି ଅଛି
K20 ସବୁ ଅଛି ଅଲ୍ଟୋ ଅଛି ସବୁ
କେତେ କଣ ଅଛି
that is not in dispute, madam, regarding model of the car. Here what happened?
କଣ
See,
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇ Maruti Suzuki car ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି ସେଟା କେବେ କହିବେନି Maruti Suzuki ଅଲଗା ମଡେଲ କହିବେ କାରଣ Suzuki କମ୍ପାନୀର କାର କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର ଜିନିଷ ବାହାର କରୁଛି Maruti Suzuki
here what happens? She is the owner of a car. Through PhonePe, she obtained a policy covering the period from 27/7/21 to 26/7/21 under Act liability. There are three types of policy, madam. One is Act, one is liability only, one is comprehensive policy. According to her own case, prior to the said date, the vehicle met with an accident. Thereafter, madam, she intimated to the company to change the effective date, madam.
Effective date ମାନେ
जो 27/7/2021
accident କେବେ ହେଲା
ନା ସେ accident ଟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି admitted fact.
then what is the effective
Now she wants to change the date of policy from 27/7/21 to 26/7/2021 to 26/8/2021 ରୁ 25/8/2022.
କିଏ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଚାହୁଁଛି
Complainant.
complainant
My case is that, madam, as per the terms of the policy,
ଆପଣ ପଲିସି ଯୋଉଟା କରିଥିବେ ସେ ତ ରହିଲା
ରହିଲା ସେଟା ନା ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ provision ଅଛି. Within 15 days, your lordship may come to, I have given that annexure 3 at page 29, your lordship may come.
Annexure 3
page 29.
Okay, page 29
Last, madam. In absence of any communication from with the period of 15 days of receipt of the letter, will be considered that the issued policy is in order and as per your proposal.
अच्छा 15 दिन days ভিতরে আপনি চেঞ্জ করে পারিবে তা আগে হলে
But she lodged a complaint after 60 days. Now the learned ombudsman, what he did, she only what
how does it matter আপনার পলিসি তো সবসেট করতলা না
policy 27/7 ରୁ subsist করଥିଲା ସେ ତାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ନେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
ସେ ଆଗକୁ ନେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି ସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସିଏ ଆସିଥିଲେ ବିପଦ ombudsman ମୋର ପଲିସି 27/7 ରେ ନ କରିକି ତାକୁ କରନ୍ତୁ 26/8/2000 ଆଉ ମାସେ ପରେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ଅଛି 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି କରିବ we will change but ସେ ତାକୁ 26
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
ଆମେ ଆସିଛୁ ଯେ ଆମକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ombudsman ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି carry out your lordship up to
କଣ ବୋଲି କଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ କଲେ
କହିଲେ this forum finds that the complainant has also failed to perform her duty by not raising the concern with the insurer about the gap in insurance immediately within 15 days of receipt of the policy even though the case is different here as the loss has already taken place before the expiry of the free look period which hardly any bearing মানে এমতি কলে তো সমস্ত আসি করদেবে যে না আজ পলিসিটা দেবে তারপর কই না মাসে পরে দেবে আর মাসে এক্সট্রা কভারেজ হয়ে যাবে তারপরে সিএ কହୁଛି
ଆପଣ କହିବା କଥା ହେଲା ଯେ that once you have taken a
policy and within 15
that 15 days we have not changed means you can't change
yes
that's all
that
this is I agree with you okay that is the order final change the order ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ଅଛି କଣଟା ଅଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପରଚେଜ ପଲିସି କଲେ रूल कहूची आपनकर यदि सुनंदे सुनंदे मो कथा सुनबे रूल कहूची आपण 15 डेज भीतर चेंज करियो जदी चाहिबे से पीरियड टाको चेंज करि परिबे 15 मंथ सॉरी 15 डेज पर यू कैन नॉट चेंज हाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन दैट इज नॉट द लॉ देन व्हाट इज द लॉ लॉ इज किछि लॉ नाही इतरे आपण द एग्रीमेंट इटसेल्फ इज लॉ इट इज द बाइबल फॉर यू लॉर्डशिप दैट इज इफेक्ट सर जस्ट अ मिनट when you are entering into contract with both the parties whatever there is in the contract that is the law that becomes the law automatic how kon dekhuchindi mate kon dekhantu supreme court kon effect on the date of purchase of the insurance policy how ko din sir setire ko din rakha habo date of purchase ru habo date of purchase ru 15 days bhitere sir setire se sei plea leithile ha kintu supreme court kon कहले honorable kon कहले and ombudsman is a forum that's why ombudsman is a forum and in our ki mana kala ke forum na boli mu कहूची मते कहू भाषा देखो सर answer forum yes our own high court pass the order अरे सर our own high court मते पार बुझांतु एटा आपण कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रे आपण दे कहिले कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल ऑब्लिगेशन आपण करो जदी करिवे within 15 days नहले नाही beyond that no supreme court can also dictate this you know contractual obligation possible in supreme court बुझले एरे कोन अछि इतरे मु देखिबी देखला वाला कोनटा अछि से कोनटा देखिबी कहला मते कोड लॉजिक अछि को रीजनिंग अछि कोनटा अछि मु देखिबी एटा ऑर्डर टाको देखे दउ जदी एटा लॉ ऑर्डर इज नॉट लॉ ऑर्डर इज पास ऑन डिफरेंट वे डिफरेंट केस रे डिफरेंट ऑर्डर पास हुए 16 फॉर बी रे कहूची इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी दैट इज इफेक्ट ऑन द डेट ऑफ परचेज ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी आ सेथिरे सर सही जो गवर्नमेंट सर एटा केबसे हला
बोले व्हाट योर लॉर्डशिप में सी दैट एनेक्स
এটা কো ডেট অফ পারচেজিং পলিসি পারচেজ পলিসি 15 ডেজ তো আর কি মনা করা সেটা উইদিন 2 ডেজ ভিতরে the accident was happened
না হোয়াট ইজ দ্য
accident happened তো সেই শিপ দ্বারা চেঞ্জ কাই করছলে আপন কি কাই কিছু চেঞ্জ हम করব তো আপন মাগিଥିଲେ চেঞ্জ করিয়া পই ডেট গোটে জেনারেল চিঠি করছলে সেটা রং ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଫେଟ୍ ସବୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନେଲା ପରେ within just a minute
ପୂର୍ବରୁ
ଆପଣ ବୁଝିବାର ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ନେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ନେଲା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ତାପରେ ସେ ପଲିସି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
नो नो when they purchase the policy after ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ when did you purchase the policy sir ହଁ এই यार डेट के देखो देखा এই जो पॉलिसी 24/7/2021 जस्ट कोड पेज कले सर माय रिप्लाई पेज नो आपण रिप्लाई छाडो ना आपण डॉक्यूमेंट देखानो ना हां डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपण पॉलिसी नेले केबे period of insurance 1 hour on 27 July to midnight लागू हैला आपनकर 27 July 2020 midnight 26 July 2022 हैला आप एक्सीडेंट केबे हैला सर
24 तारीख
तो 27 आपनकर पॉलिसी लागू हैला 24 रे लेकिन होबा आया 27 रे जदी आपण पॉलिसी पीरियड स्टार्ट होची तो 24 तारीख रे केमति कवर हो
Insurance
And
act କହୁଛି ଯେ
basic-
ସେମିତି କିଛି retrospective prospective dates
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଲିସି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପେଜ 28 କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ 28 କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
insurance act of Orissa.
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଆକ୍ଟ କଣ କହୁଛି ମତେ ଦେଖିଲେ I want to know I'm not closing my mind I'm fully open just assist I need your assistance
Yes, sir.
ହଁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଲିସି ଆକ୍ଟ କଣ କହିଲା ଦେଲେ
ରେୟାର ଗୋଟେ କରିଛନ୍ତି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଛି ନାଉ ଇଜ ଆର୍ଗୁଇଂ ଇନ୍ ଏ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ୱେ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମେ କମ୍ ଟୁ ଆନେକ୍ସ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା ସେ let him explain yes ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଲିସି ଆକ୍ଟ କଣ କହିଲା ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଦେଖି
ତ ସେଇ 64 insurance act ରେ କହିଛି
କଣ କହିଛି କୋଉ ପ୍ୟାରାଗ୍ରାଫ No insurance regime any risk in India in respect to any insurance business on which premium is not ordinarily payable outside India. जा छाड़ दो এটা আপনার কোনো কিছু কাম নেই the purpose কোনটা কোহন্তু
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାରା ଦିଟା ପାରା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସାର୍
କୋହନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିକି କହନ୍ତୁ ନା ମତେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଠି ଆସିକି ଏକ ପାରା ସେ ପାରା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଛାଡ଼ିବେ
He has not challenged the order of the ombudsman.
କିଏ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଚୁପଚାପ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଫାଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଉଠିବେ I am confused. I may go with him. I may go with him.
Yes, yes.
I will go dangle like pendulum.
Yes, yes. The lordship is to decide.
ଆପଣ confuse କଲେ କେମିତି ହେବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍
ଦେଇଦେଇଛି ତ
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଧରିକି ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ପେପର ଧରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ କଞ୍ଜୁସ ଭଳିଆ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପେପର ଧରିକି କୋର୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେନି ହଁ ଗୋଟେ ସେଟ୍ ଧରିକି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଣିବେ ଆମ କୋର୍ଟ ସବୁବେଳେ 3-3 ସେଟ୍ ଧରିକି ଆସୁଥିବେ
and the purpose of this section in the case risks for which premium can be ascertained in advance the risk may be assumed not earlier than the date on which the premium has been paid in cash or by check or in insurance explanation
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଚେକ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଆମେ check ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ଆମେ direct ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ପଇସା ଦେଇଥିଲୁ
ପଇସା କୋଉଠି କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
insurance company ଦେଇଥିଲୁ
କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯାଇକିରି ନା କି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ through online ଦେଇଥିଲୁ
थ्रू ऑनलाइन ଦେଇଥିଲେ କେବେ କେତେ ତାରିଖ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
24/7
ତାର ପ୍ରୁଫ କାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାର ପ୍ରୁଫ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ 24 ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ପ୍ରୁଫଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
ସେଟା ସାର୍ ଏଠାରେ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି
ସେ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ପେ କରିଥିବେ ତ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଥିବ ନା
ହଁ ସେଟା
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଏଠାରେ ଅଛି ଆମ୍ବିସମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ଅଛି
ଅର୍ଡର
ଆଉ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଏଥିରେ ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ପାରା
ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ସେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆନ୍ସର ନ ଦେଇକି ଏଣେ ତେଣେ ଯିବେନି ମୁଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଶୋ ମି ଦ ପ୍ରୁଫ when did you purchase the policy ଶୋ ମି ଦ୍ୟାଟ ତାପରେ ଅଲଗା ଆଡେ ଯିବା ଆଗ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ସେଇଟା କଥା
no don't go here and there
that is not dispute
please no I want to know there may not be this dispute I want to know where did you purchase the policy that has there is a major bearing on the policy major bearing କେବେ ଆପଣ କିଣିଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇଟା ଆମେ ଆଭାରମେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ନେଇଛୁ ସେଟା
ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ନେଲେ ଆମେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବଦଳ ମତେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଆପଣ କିଛି ବି ଲେଖିପାରିବେ
ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
ସାର୍ ଏଟା ଆମ୍ବିସମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ସେଟା ଦେଇଛୁ
କିଏ ଦେଲା ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ହିସାବ କପି କରିଥିବେ
ସେଟା ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍
ଅମର୍ସମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ କହିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଦେଲା ଅର୍ଡର
ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଦେଇଛି ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କଭରେଜ
ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଏଇଟା ହିୟରିଂ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ହାଉ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଏଇଗୁଡା ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ମତେ ଦରକାର କେବେ ଆପଣ କିଣିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଟିକ୍ ମାରିକି ଦେଲେ ମତେ ମତେ ପାଉନି ଟିକ୍ ଆଉ ଟିକ୍ ମାରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକ୍ ମାରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ଟିକ୍ ମାରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି କାଇଁ ମତେ ବ୍ଲକ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି why are you blocking me ନାହିଁ ସେ ନ ଦେଖିକିରି ଆପଣ ଧରେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ କାଗଜ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ କାଗଜ କୋଉଥିରେ କିଛି ଲେଖା ନାହିଁ why are you blocking ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଯଦି କିଣିଛନ୍ତି 24 ରେ କିଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 27 ରୁ କାହିଁ ଲାଗୁ ହେବ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ପଚାରୁଛି
ସେଇ କଥା ତ ମୁଁ
ସେଇ କଥା ତ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୁଫ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ 24 ରେ କିଣିଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୁଫ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ପ୍ରୁଫଟା ଦେଖେଇଲେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବି
ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ଲେଟରେ ଆଭାରମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
ତାଙ୍କର ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ରଖିବେନି ମ ଆପଣ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ପରା ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇୟର ଏଫେକ୍ଟେଡ ପାର୍ଟି why should you not show that ଆଉ ଏଟା ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି ସେଟା ଦେଖେଇ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କୋଉଥିରେ ଆପଣ ମତେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଡେଟରେ କିଣିଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ପେ କରିଥିଲେ ତାର ତ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଥିବ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ସେ ତ କହୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ଆଉ ଡେଟା
ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଇଏ ଯଦି ଚାଲେ ଆଉ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିକି ନା ଆସିବେ ଖାଲି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଚାଲିବ 15 ଫେବୃଆରୀ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଏତିକି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ଏତେ ଛୋଟ ଫାଇଲ ରକେଟ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଭଳିଆ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
Lots of prayer in the complaint petition to correct the date from 26 Act to what an argument I would have.
ଆସୁ 20th ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି
Item 99.
Sir, law is like mathematics. 1 plus 1 is always 2. But if corruption enters inside, then it becomes 3, 5 also. ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ଭଳିଆ ଚାଲେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଏଣେ ତେଣେ ବୁଲିଲେ ହବନି ପୁରା ଟୁ ଦି ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଟାପ 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 ଖତମ ଆଉ ଏଣେ ତେଣେ ସିଧା ଟପିକ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଆସିବେ ଖତମ 2 ମିନିଟ କେସ୍ ଏଇ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ କେସ୍ 2 ମିନିଟିଆ କେସ୍ ଆପଣ ଠିକ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରି ଆସିବେ 2 ମିନିଟରେ ସରିଯିବ ମତେ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ 2 ମିନିଟ ଲାଗେ କଣ ଅଛି ଏଥିରେ ସିଧା କଥା ଆପଣ ପରଚେଜ କଲେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 24 ତାରିଖ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପଲିସି କହୁଛି 27 ତାରିଖ ଲାଗୁ ହେଲା ପଲିସି କୋଉଟା ଲାଗୁ ହେବ ପରଚେଜ ଡେଟ୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ନା ପଲିସି କୋଉ ଦିନ ଲାଗୁଛି ସେଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ definitely policy ରେ ଯାହା ଲେଖା ଅଛି ସେଟା that is the governing field
Latest.
that will govern the field ଆଉ where is the supreme court କଣ କରିବେ supreme court କୋଉ କେସରେ supreme court
Expenses be paid in February of this year by draft number and 2 lakhs to be
that
paid.
appellant notice shall pay permanent alimony of so and so shall pay sum of 22 lakh within 2 months and pay towards study expenses. Sir, এটা কোন লিখিলে আপন এতিকি এটা কোন লিখিলে ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଥିଲି 10,000 study expenses per annum କାଇଁ per annum or କାଇଁ
The study
Oh,
is
acha,
paid in
annually
February of this year by draft.
annually ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଚଳିବ
Annually ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
study expenses
month of January
ହଁ month of
ହଁ
February onwards.
That I will pay.
till her marriage till the end of her marriage ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି till the end of her marriage କଣ till her marriage ଲେଖିବେ ଓ ଲେଖି ସାରିନା accepted the ଲେଖ the ଏଟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବ ଏଟାକୁ ପୁରା କୋଟ କରିଦବ entire thing କୋଟ ହେଲା ଏଟାକୁ and in view of the above terms and condition the
Conviction and sentence should be settled. Confirmed. How ଗୋଟାଏ ଟିକେ one thing your lordship
ଆପଣ
ये
ଏଟା କଲା ପରେ
particular
ଆଉ କିଛି ବଞ୍ଚିଲା କି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ particular date କରିଦେଲେ ସେ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ they will present that 13 B application before the judge final court ଏତିକି particular day ଆମେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୋଉ ଦିନ କହିଦେବୁ ସିଏ ଆମକୁ କୋଉ ଦିନ କହିବେ ଏ particular date so that will intimate our party
ତ ଦେଇଦେବ ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବ ହେଲା ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ନା ଏବେ ଏତେ ଦୂର କାଇଁ ଯିବ 22nd ରେ ଦେଇଦିଅ 22nd Thursday ଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଉ
Thursday ରେ
both the party they will present that 13 B application 27 ନା କେବେ
appear before the
family court
family judge for the and
13 B application ଦେବେ ଆଉ
in order to withdraw that
no in order to file that 13 B application for a dissolution of marriage
13 B application for dissolution of marriage and the learned family judge for the shall consider and proceed as expeditiously as possible
this could be also subject
as expeditiously as possible
preferable on the same day will be that
यार ମୁଁ ତାର ପ୍ରେସର ଜାଣିନି ସେ ଲୋକ
and all other execution
ଧାନ କଳ ଭଳିଆ ଭାବିଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ଧାନ ପକେଇଲେ ଚାଉଳ କଦ କଦ ବାହାରିବ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେମାନେ conciliation ପାଇଁ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତି
ସେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତି ତ ଲଗେଇକି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେ କରିବେନି ଭଲ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଜଜ୍ ଭଲ ଜଜ୍ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା all other execution
କାହିଁକି He's a good boy. ଜଲ୍ଦି କରିଦବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା the execution proceeding may be closed in view of this 2 months ହଁ 2 months execution case will be
Item 101.
Extract.
My lord, noting that LCR is not issued, my lord. Let the LCR be called for, my lord. Because
trial court convicted under section 323 and 354. In appeal, the conviction under section 323 has been set aside and the 354 conviction confirmed for 6 months and
You have got that?
Lordship, I believe there was no order for us
LCR.
case diary LCR.
This matter, my lord.
Registry and
My lord,
LCR come. Against conviction, na?
My lord.
Let the LCR come. Next.
Lordship, may fix.
Fix March 6th. Next.
102.
102.
My lord, on behalf of SK short in.
यहाँ कौन कर खाली तो शॉर्ट एडजर्न करके दिन पाके घंटे टाइम अछि घंटे टाइम रे गोटे सुनिया पाउनी मु भाबुची सुनिबी दुई चारटा के सब एडजर्न मागि नेक्स्ट
Item 104.
My please, my lord.
104.
My lord, in compliance to the order dated 22/11/2023, my lord, I am handing over the draft of rupees 50,000.
May kindly see order dated.
कौन ड्राफ्ट देले आपण
My lord, in compliance to the order dated 22.
केते टका ड्राफ्ट देले
My lord, 50,000.
50,000 बढ़ांतु तांको दियंतु देखो
ठीक है 22 order को देखो
रहंतु ए ड्राफ्ट ऑफ 50,000 has been handed over by the petitioner
My lord.
by the petitioner to opposite party counsel Mr. Budhia हला अब नियंतु and he has gladly smilingly accepted this time
कानी खाल देखो unless until they comply the order.
हाँ जी नंबर पूरा देवा नहीं नंबर दे पूरा देवा देंतु ड्राफ्ट नंबर being so and so लिख दो ड्राफ्ट drawn on so and so सब लिखा सब लिखा
ये जेरोक्स कर दे दो ना रख रिकॉर्ड ना ले
जेरोक्स
कर रिकॉर्ड दे दो और kindly see the order dated 22/8/2023.
आपण 50,000 देले ना तांको से देले आपण रिसीव करले ना तापर टिके अटके जानतो से पैसा पत्र आउट के जमा करू दबा
My lord, out of the area maintenance of rupees 1 lakh, my lord, the petitioner.
50,000 दे देले आपण
My lord.
आउ 50,000 रहिला
My lord.
That is the reason I am submitting. That is the reason.
My lord, I am clarifying, my lord. My lord,
let it pass. He is the petitioner. Let it pass.
My lord, as far as the monthly maintenance is concerned, my lord.
अरे काई कथा हो जंत रे प्लीज सर कोन कोन बड़ बड़ हो बस तुम
My lord, as far as the monthly maintenance is concerned, my lord, the petitioner has already paid for the month of September and October, my lord. My lord, but for the month of November and December, the petitioner has served the demand draft, but the respondent is not receiving the same, my lord.
आपण केते टंका और बाकी आपण रहिला कहले मते
My lord, out of 1 lakh.
3 lakhs.
ठीक है से कोन तुम
About 3 lakhs as per the lower court order.
3 lakh.
As per this
from
court
the
order.
date of institution.
Madam?
3 lakh from the date of institution of the
My lord, my lord. As per the judicial order.
तो
and as
3 लाख रो आज 50 पाइले आगुर केते पाइछंती
आगुर 10,000 ना देइछन
60,000 तर
My lord, 1 lakh, my lord. Area maintenance is 1 lakh, my lord.
1 लाख देइछंती आपण
No, my lord, area maintenance is 1 lakh, and out of that we had already paid 50,000, my lord. My lord, as far as monthly
3
maintenance.
लाख केते कहले आपण
as per lower court order it comes to 3,32,35,000.
केमती को बेसिस रे
13,000 per month. मोर 5,000, झिओर 5,000, पुअर 5,000, घर भड़ा 3,000, 13,000 टका आवाड ही तल कोट रे. तादिरे हेला area maintenance 3,50,000 some more. Then on 22/8/2023 this court direct to pay 5,000 per month and area maintenance. जोड़ा की आ गया हेलाने मतलब लक्ष्य
जोड़ा चेंज हे गला ना से चेंज रे लागो
चेंज रे तो आ गया तो लक्ष्य 25 देले ना. How the case will proceed? The judicial order on their petition this order has been passed, not on my prayer. On their petition
आपण को करन आपण क्लाइंट कोन करे
My lord, he is jobless, my lord. He is jobless, my lord.
जे कोर्ट के सब जॉबलेस काहर गुटे जॉब थिला लोग कोर्ट को 90% केस रे जागो पचारा आई एम जॉबलेस आई हैव लॉस्ट माय जॉब ड्यूरिंग कोरोना आई हैव लेफ्ट एज इफ तारे खाउ छंती कोन ताले जॉबलेस की पोसुची आपण आपण की पोसुची 50,000 कोट आनले ताले
My lord, depending on his father, my lord.
फादर कोन करंती
My lord, a shop room is there, my lord. Shop, my lord. Shop, my lord.
शॉप तो बढ़िया इनकम बसिक आपण सब बापा संग शॉप दे बिकु ना
नहीं सर भलो इनकम होनी
भलो इनकम होनी ताले कोन कोन करंतु नो एक्स्ट्रा बहुत स्टार्टअप बना जिले स्टार्ट होची किछ so many startups are there.
My lord, the petitioner has served
50,000 बाकी केते रेस्ट केते पैसा आला
as per this court order it comes to 25 और वेला आपन को 65,000 as per this court order 70,000
ଏବେ ଆପଣ what is your prayer?
My lord, the respondent is not receiving the monthly maintenance of 2 months, my lord, for November and December.
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଦେବି କୋଉଠୁ?
My lord,
ଏଇଟା dispute order.
my lord, in spite of the fact that, my lord, on this,
ସାର୍ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଟା ଯେମିତି ଦେଲେ ସେଟା ବି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ।
my lord, have the Xerox copy, my lord.
ଜେରକ୍ସ କପି ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଯଦି ଏଠି ଏଟା ଦେଇ ପାରିଲେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଟା ଏଠି ଦେଇଦେଲେନି ନେଇ ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ।
My lord, may allow next week, my lord.
ସେଟା ଧରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ
My lord,
ସେଟା ବି ଦେଇଦେବି।
my lord.
କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ 22/8/23 ଅର୍ଡର କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ କେସଟା ଚାଲିବ ନହେଲେ କେସ୍ ଚାଲି ପାରୁନି। That is the reason I am submitting.
ସେ ପଇସାଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କରେଣ୍ଟ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ସବୁ
କରେଣ୍ଟ କୋଉ ମାସରୁ ବାକି
a
ଅଛି?
detail order
November,
has been
December.
passed. On their prayer.
November, December, my lord.
ନଭେମ୍ବର ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
My lord.
ପୁରା ନଭେମ୍ବର
My lord, she is not receiving, my lord.
ଆରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିବେ
My lord.
ନେଇକି ଆସିତେ ଆଜି ରିସିଭ୍ ଦେଇଦେଲୁ।
My lord. My lord, on the last occasion, my lord was suggesting for mediation, my lord. I have taken instruction, my lord. The prisoner is ready for that, my lord.
ହଉ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ମିଡିଏସନ୍ ପଠେଇବି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ପଇସାଟା ଆଗ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
My lord.
କରେଣ୍ଟଟା ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ କରେଣ୍ଟ ରେଗୁଲାର ଆପଣ
As per order dated 12/8/2023 on their prayer, not my prayer.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍
ସେଇଆ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଟେ ଯିବେନି
ନା, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେଇଆ
ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିମୋନିଆଲ କେସରେ ଗୋ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ ଦ ବକ୍ସ।
ସେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି କହୁଛି
ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ଏଟା ହେଲା ସେଟା ହେଲା କିଛି
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ ସେଇଆ ଖାଲି
ସିଧା
କହୁଛି।
ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କିନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ।
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ହେବ।
ପେମେଣ୍ଟ as per this order.
ଲିଗାଲିଷ୍ଟିକ ଭିଉରେ
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ସେଇଆ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଏତିକି କହୁଛି ଆଉ କିଛି
ଖାଲି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପଇସା ଯାହା ଅଛି ବାକିଟା ଦେଇ
ସେଇଆ ମୁଁ
ଆଇଦର ଦିସ୍ ୱେ ଯା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱେ ଯାଅ
ହଁ ହଁ ମୁଁ
ନହେଲେ ମିଶିକି ରହ ଯୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଇଏ
ସେଇଆ ତ ମୁଁ
ଅର୍ଡର ଏଇଟା ହେଲା
ମୁଁ ବି ସେଇଆ
ଇଏ
କହୁଛି
order ଇଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କହିଲା ଇ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଇଏ କହିଲା ଏ କଣ
ମୁଁ ସେଇଆ ହିଁ କହୁଛି।
ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରିକ୍ୱାର୍ସ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ।
I
ସବୁ
admit.
ଲିଗାଲ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ସବୁ ସଲା ଲିଗାଲ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ବେଶୀ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରିଦେବେ ତାକୁ।
ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇଆ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କହୁନି।
ହଁ ଯାଉ ସେ କେବେ ଦେବେ?
My lord, next week, my lord.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ 9th ରେ ଆସୁ
My lord.
ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଦୁଇଟା ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ
My lord.
ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ମେଡିସିନକୁ ପଠେଇବି ହେଲା।
My lord.
ଟିକେ ଖାଲି 22/8 ଅନୁସାରେ କହିଛି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କହୁନି ମାନେ
କଣ?
ଯେମିତି ଅର୍ଡର କହୁଛି
କଣ?
22/8 ଅନୁସାରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ସେଦିନ
ହଉ,
ମୁଁ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଖିକି
ପତ୍ର,
ଯାହା
ହଉ,
ସେ
ଠିକ।
ପଇସା ଆଗ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ।
ସେଇ 22/8 ଅନୁସାରେ ଆଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେୟାର ହେଇଯିବ ସେଇଆ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆଉ କିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନାହିଁ।
22/8 ପଛେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଗ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଏଇଟା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଦିନ ଦେଖିବେ ସେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ଲେଖିଦେଲ accepted by the draft number
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
okay ଠିକ ଅଛି 9 ତାରିଖ ଅଛି 9 ତାରିଖ next
Item number 105.
105
Please, my lord, application for bail is pending in this.
sorry
Application for
mail ଆପଣ କଣ କହିଲା
my lord,
you are convicted
yes, confirming that 7 years arrive.
ଆପଣ ଭିତରେ କେତେ ରହିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଗରୁ ବେଲରେ ଥିଲି ତାପରେ ବି 23/6
କେତେ ଦିନ ବେଲରେ ଥିଲେ ମାନେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ପଚାରୁଛି ମୁଁ
23/6 ଆରେଷ୍ଟ 23/6
କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଟୋଟାଲ ରହି ସାରିଲେଣି
ସେଇଟା I am not calculated.
କାଲକୁଲେଟ କର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସ୍ପେଲ ରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଭିତରେ
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା 11 ମାସରେ 2011
2011 କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲେ
ତାପରେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ବେଲ ପରେ ଯାଇଥିଲି
କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲେ ଭିତରେ
ସେଇଟା
ସାର୍
I am not calculated.
କେମିତି କାଲକୁଲେଟ କରିବେନି ଆପଣ କେତେ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି କେତେ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ କୋର୍ଟ ହିସାବ କରିବେନି କେମିତି ହିସାବ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବେସିସରେ ଟେକ୍ ଡିସିସନ ତ ଏବେ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି
ଏବେ ଭିତରେ
କେବେଠୁ
23/6/2023
23/6/2023 convicted for 7
years.
7 years କେସ୍ ଜାରି ଆଣ ଏ ଅଛି ନା ବେଲ୍ ତ ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ବି ତମେ ନ କହିଲେ ବି ମୁଁ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ କରିବି ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ କରିବି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଏଇ ତାର କେସ୍ ଜାରି ନାହିଁ LCR କଥା କହୁଛି LCR ଟା ମଗାନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ଶୁଣିଦେବା ଜଲ୍ଦି ମୁଁ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଫର୍ 2 months and in the meantime we will hear the matter ଖତମ ହେଲା list the matter on March 28 ରେ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି ହେଲା ଯାଅ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ नहीं अप्रैल कर दे April 4th admit कर दे petitioner the petitioner will enlarge on interim bail for a period of 2 months ହେଲା 2 months है interim bail 2 months from the date of actual release ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଦେଖ list the matter on 10th February for final hearing. Final hearing.
10th February.
Ah.
2 months.
I'm sorry, April, sorry. April.
Right.
10th April.
Right.
Hala. Out at time never. Sorry. Next.
106.
106.
My lord, I pray for an adjournment.
Adjournment.
My lord.
What is the matter about, sir?
The matter was that the petitioner was convicted by the line on Eastern Session Judge Balagi in Sessions case number
A number chadantu, what is the reason for conviction?
3 years with fine of 3,000.
Under which offense?
Offense 307.
307.
Which are the
State custody. Case diary asmi. When do you want, sir?
Maybe in April.
Sorry? April?
In April.
April? Okay, April 12. April 12. He's in bail, I think. I think.
107.
Final hearing. Next.
107, madam. Here one thing has to be adjudicated by the national court. But the 326 CRPC says, madam, that if a particular case in a particular stage, the court, madam, because of some reason the court has stopped, or another honorable land magistrate transfer or joined, is the particular court who the successor, he'll start it from that particular point. In the particular case, what's happened, madam? The case was the complaint case under 138, it continued for a particular process, and
Again
after
from the
argument,
beginning. Again from the beginning.
no, argument after argument, the judgment was fixed for a particular date for judgment. On the relevant day, because of the non-appearance of the petitioner, the land court has fixed it, kept the judgment in the sealed cover, and thereafter, the land court has transferred. And after a particular period, when the petitioner has entered his appearance, instead of just opening the sealed judgment, the land court has directed again to adduce the evidence in afresh, and in this process has given the judgment afresh, my lord. That particular aspect will be touched by.
That is not, actually, it's not correct.
So saves that particular part
You
is.
can't do it again and again.
Yes, say that.
In fact, even the quality of the material will also matter.
Obviously, my lord, because once because evidence cannot be taken twice. Whatever evidence has already been adduced, if the court.
So here your grievance is that he should
mainly on this ground, my lord. Otherwise, all other aspects are there.
So now, this is.
And the opposite party has not also.
What is the order? Impugn order?
Impugn judgment, my lord. Two judgment, because one has been by my land magistrate and subsequently by the appellate court. Yes, 22. Appellate court judgment.
That is the appellate court. I am appearing to the
Page?
22, yeah, 22. It start the appellate court judgment starts from page 22.
Okay,
that question has been verified by the knowledge appellate court.
22 more phone number 448 था?
Yeah, 448. 448.
22 का
Internal page 22. Sorry, internal page.
Internal page था 22.
अच्छा ठीक है, internal page भी अच्छी है. Page 22 अच्छी.
9. Internal page 22 नहीं.
Internal page बेसी होगा. Page 22, current running page 22. First page of the
running page 22 रे किसी नहीं. अच्छा आउट এটা अच्छा start from 22. Oh, अच्छा. I was searching the other order.
And the very question which was raised by my learned friend.
No, but what Mr. Chan said, that is the process. It is an accepted practice everywhere. It can't be just, you can't keep every time the person will come and go. Even judgment, trial अधा चलते हुए आउट जज से ही तो धरियो, not armor.
बस.
हाँ, एटा अब read रे कौन read समझ गुड़े मैटर अधा सुनाई थी. That is different. But trial तो सेम करी पर. A luxury of having another setup.
Once deposition has been taken care of.
It is only rewriting the judgment.
हाँ
He has only
केमती रीराइटिंग करियो जने सुनिछि पूरा जने लिखिछि से आ जने आसीबो केमती रीराइटिंग करियो
I beg your lordship's pardon, that has been dealt that she is saying that 326(3) is the innovation that if the judgment is kept in seal cover and the predecessor judge has kept written judgment kept in seal cover, the incumbent judge will come and pronounce that
Only upon it.
provided it is summarily dealt with, because after on his account, the NBD, on the date of pronounced judgment, NBD issued, he went and surrendered. Thereafter, my lord, he faced the argument. He did not object. He did not-
even our GRC ର ବି ସେଟା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କରିଥିବେ ଆଉ ସେଟାକୁ ରିପିଟେସନ କରିହବନି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ପରା ଏଇଟା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଡିନୋଭୋ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କରିବେ ଏତେ ଲୋକ
ଏଇଟା deal ହବ ହେଇନି, ଖାଲି judgment ଟା because the learned
ସେ ଫେର କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲା ସେ ଆପ୍ରିସିଏସନ କରିକି ସେ ଲେଖିଥିଲା ଇଏ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଲା ଏକଦମ ତାର ଆଉ ଥରେ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦବ କି କଣ କରିଦବ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଶୁଣିଛି ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ବେଟର ଆପ୍ରିସିଏଟ କରି ଲେଖିପାରିବି ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ହଠାତ୍ ଆଇବ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ଧରିବ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ କୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦବ ବିନା ଶୁଣିକି କରିଦେଲା ଠିକ ହବ
that is the reason why
that's the wrong
he faced
that's the wrong
that is the Supreme Court that has been dealt with by the appellate
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କଣ କଲା ଏମିତି
court.
କରି
The appellate court dealt with it. ଯଦି ସେ objection କରିନାହାନ୍ତି at the time of hearing, if the accused, my lord, my humble submission, that is the appropriate, the accused participated in the argument, did not object, saying that it ought to have been dealt with summarily, so this court cannot hear me argument. Once he participated in argument, and thereafter he cannot say that the court cannot, that is the whole that has been.
ନା ସାର୍
Participate for the argument.
କେସ୍ ଲ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଦିନ ଆସୁ our note written note of some both of you give me this is a good issue it's actually
Your lordship, even it may amount to de novo trial. That
you must give in note
But here only
କେବେ 7 ତାରିଖ 7 ରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଛୁଟି ଅଛି 3-4 ଦିନ ବନେଇକି ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ କଣ
ଛୋଟିଆ point ये
3 पेज मैक्सिमम 3 पेज 3 पेज ର ଅଧିକ ନାହିଁ ଆ କେସ୍ ଲ ଦେବେ ଯାହା ଦେବେ କେସ୍ ଲ ରେ अंडरलाइन कर ଦେଇଥିବେ ନା ଆଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାफ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିବେ
once the accused participated in the argument, he cannot take the plea of 326.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
ଏଇଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଜ୍ଞା the accused participating in argument cannot take the plea of 326 as led by
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ we'll see that
ସେ ଆଗେ କେତେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କେସଟା severe charge. Several times NBW issued through 2013.
Not this one.
They have taken money to 30%.
ସେମିତି ଲାଗି ତ ଖତମ କରିଦେଲା କହିଲା ଆଉ ଥରେ କରାଲା ଫେର ପୁଣି ଟାଇମ ଯିବ
ଏଇ judgment ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେବି written notice.
ରିଟର୍ନ along with judgment ହେଲା ଆପଣ ବି ଦେବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
I will keep it to 15th.
15
କଣ
ଆପଣ
କହିବିନି
ଅଧା ଘଣ୍ଟା ବସ
younger father is expert. I have to.
ठीक है then 15 कर दो for note only
Yes.
next
108
8 କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ ଭଞ୍ଜ ଦେଓ ଭଞ୍ଜ ଦେଓ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ କିଓ ଆଜି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟାଇମ ଚାମ୍बर କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମାସରେ ରଖ ତାକୁ 7 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 7 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
oblige
ଏକ୍ସନ
109
109 lots is a case of hearing, but as the noting is there, LCR is not received. So I think LCR should be.
May call for the LCR.
Let the LCR be obtained by the registry. List the matter kebe
Entry was 28.
Sir.
Any day.
2 weeks after.
मार्च रख दी मार्च रे 14 मार्च
Again.
14 मार्च 2 PM रख दा सुनी दवा
Again.
Small issue ଅଛି.
नेक्स्ट
Entry motor to thila se recality continue.
ठीक है
Entry motor was there. Let it be.
Entry motor to come.
Oh.
এটা